Hello guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about BTC, we're going to talk about Ethereum, we're going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, we're going to talk about all of that good stuff. We're going to talk about most of the DeFi coins also, depending on your requests and all of that good stuff, alright? So let me take a look at the chat room. Some of you guys basically haven't hit the like button yet, right? So I'm just going to remind you, if you have any question, make sure before you ask any question regarding any art, make sure to hit the likes, right? And basically subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed yet, or you haven't basically hit the like yet, your request might not be analyzed, all right? So make sure to do two of those, right, at the same time. And we can get this streaming going, because market gonna be very explosive over the next like a few days. So you guys gotta be ready for the next big move to the upside or the next big move to the downside for support and all of that good stuff. So we're gonna talk about both scenarios and what we not only gonna get the move. If you're a bear, you still got a chance to get the move also to the downside. All right. So don't forget to hit the likes, right? So we can get this streaming going. All right. All right, so we got 20 likes, 40 watching. So let's get it to 30 likes, guys. Let's get it to 30 likes so we can get this good stuff. So let's review alt first before we talk about BTC. So while we're getting our likes up, and then we're gonna talk about BTC. Okay, we need like 30 likes. 30 likes. So let's start off with ADA. We're just gonna do a quick review regarding ADA. ADA basically hit our target last time, right? Just about like 39. If you guys watch our previous streaming, right, what we said was that we're going to be looking for 1.27 to 1.41 right there, 39 to 41. It hit exactly 39. Okay, so we got another move to the upside, potentially up to 1.41, which is going to be 43. So let's take a look at Balancer. So Balancer, it is one of our top pick for January. It already broke out, brought the resistance just about 21, hit our target just about 24, 25. Now it is cooling off. Temporary support could be all the way down to a 6-hour 100 EMA, but it could give us a a 50% to 0.786 before doing this. Okay, so Balancer, it is still a hold, even it can drop lower. Let's go ahead and take a look at BZRX. BZRX, I gave you guys a Elliott wave analysis regarding BZRX, and we're looking for a big move to the upside over the next few months, all the way up to basically $1.80 to $2 range. Price right now just about 27 cents. That's a macro view. On the lower degree, we got like a micro target up to basically 45 cents. And a potential retracement down to 18. It is still going to be by the dip, but the big picture going to be $2. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at CRV, guys. I've been talking about CRV over the last few weeks, guys, when CRV was 45 cents. Macro target $5, current price just about $1.50. Right now it is accumulating, right? We got wave 5 up to $2 right there. Support going to be $1.30 all the way down to $1. Even if like we get another retracement to $1, that's going to be awesome, okay, for the bulls. All right, so CRV, it is going to be a big move to the it is going to give us a big move to the upside. You take a look at Polkadot, we're still on track to our $26, right? So beautiful setup. So Polkadot, don't touch, don't look, don't smell, don't do anything. Just let it do the work. Okay, so upside target $26, 1.618 extension to the upside. You get one of the best analysis in crypto, guys. We got 26 likes. We need at least 30 likes, guys, to get basically talk about BTC. Polkadot, one of the best analysis in crypto, guys. No one was expecting this big move. Everybody was talking about $13, $12. Sen Crypto said what? We're going to pump all the way up to $26. We got a chance to hit it within the next few days, okay? If not, we got a very good chance to hit it before the end of the quarter. So still blue. Make sure it is blue, Don J. Great. Make it blue, guys. You only got to hit it once, okay? Not twice, all right? Once, not twice, guys. Okay, guys. EGLD, we've been bullish on EGLD, guys, just like CRV. So if you've been familiar with Sen Crypto, right here, what we said regarding EGLD when EGLD was $7, guys, when $7, okay, just like CRV, when CRV was 50 cents. What we said, guys, we're gonna take it to the upside up to $15 at least. Okay, sucker is all the way up to basically $40, and now we got upside target up to $55. All right, so it is a good hold over the next like a few days and so on. All right, so we're gonna talk about Ethereum later on. Link pulled back down to just about $18. So Link, it is still a hold, dropped down to like 19. It could drop still. It could still drop down to like 18.5 and so on, but it is still a good hold. Temporary resistance just about 25, 27. Upside potential all the way up to basically 30, $37 to $40 range. All right. So we got our 34 likes, 50 watching. Great. What's up? What's up, Strengths? Bilal in the house. Hey Bilal, what's up, man? Should you buy BTC or sell? We're gonna answer that question. Make sure to hit the likes and subscribe first, okay? Jason in the house. Thanks a lot, Jason. Thanks a lot. Make sure to hit the like. So now let's go ahead and take a look at the Godfather BTC, all right? And what we're gonna be expecting over the next like a few hours and so on, guys. So now, most of you guys know already my two favorites moving averages, all right? 6 hour 100 EMA and 6 hour 201 EMA. Okay, so now let's take a look at it. All right, last time when Bitcoin dropped right here, what we did right here, we bought the dip, guys, at the very bottom, 305. Okay, 30,500. Right now we just bounced off the 6 hour 100 EMA exactly. Okay, exactly at the 6 hour 100 EMA, guys. So my targets, they're not random. Randomness don't repeat. Okay, so we hit 6 hour 100 EMA right here, bounce off, bang, hit my target all the way up to 39.6, right? Right now we bouncing off again at the 6 hour 100 EMA, but this time I gotta be cautious, right? Why we gotta be cautious? It is still bullish. It is a bullish rebound. However, we got something right here. I don't like the volume so far. And we got this 8 hour 100 EMA just about like a 32. It is growing fast, guys. It is growing very fast. So 3200, 32,000, not 3200, 32,000, right? It is going to be the next temporary support. We're going to be looking for BTC. Okay, it is still correcting. I don't see any explosiveness, right? Right now we're going to take a look at on the lower degree. We got some bullish crossover MACD on the hourly and all of that good stuff. We're going to take a look at it, see if the 6 hour 100 EMA going to be strong enough, right, for us to trust it for the next move to the upside. If not, we just have to suck it up and wait for the 8 hour 100 EMA, just about 32. Okay, so let's move up to the 2-day time frame. If you take a look at the 2-day time frame, right, candle gonna close in 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours and 40 minutes. So it is good to wait, okay, till the candle close over the next like a few hours to get some sort of a clear direction. All right, on a 2-day basis, bears are slightly in control. Okay, bears are slightly in control. Why they in control? Because if you take a look at it, sell volume right here pretty high, right? Buy volume as support right there was pretty low. So right here, buy volume pretty low candle, already getting engulfed, right? So eliminating all the buying pressure in this range. MACD still bullish, right? Not quite yet bearish. So any sell off to the downside, guys, it is going to be a great opportunity on a 2-day basis to buy the dip. Okay, to buy the dip all the way down to a 37. So 37 going to be major support. Once again, I'm not looking for exact number. I'm just looking for a range. It could be 29.7. It could be even down to 28.7. But on average, okay, 37 could be where price action might close above on a 2-day basis. All right. So if you got anything below 37, it might be a bonus. Okay, it might be like, hey man, let me get it before it bounce back up. Okay, it is going to be the average. HR in the house, Mini in the house, Sweet Canary in the house. Thanks a lot, guys. We got 38 likes, 60 watching. Let's get it to 50 likes now. Let's get it to 50. So now let's go ahead and take a look at BTC on the lower degree. So on the lower degree, we got As you guys know, I told you something very powerful, right? Whenever BTC gives you a big sell-off to the downside, first thing you need to do, guys, pay attention to your 21 EMA. If you're short scalping or you want to look for a long position for a short scalp, right? You want to always basically look for a short at your 21 EMA. Okay, and second short entry going to be your basically 100 EMA on the hourly basis. Okay, you only need basically a couple of entry when you do this, when you're doing these short positions, and take it to the downside 50% to 0.618, right? So we got rejection right here, so we got a range of resistance right there, this entire range, okay, between 1 hour 21 and 1 hour 100 EMA going to be a short entry. Okay, so for most bears, I'm not telling you to do it. All I'm saying is it is going to be a chance. It is going to be a good chance for the bears to basically accumulate more shorts. Okay, so you would be looking for 35.2 all the way up to a 36,000. Okay, range for a potential drop back down to a 50% pullback right there to 0.618. Okay, which is just about a 33,800 range. So keep an eye on the bullish divergence also. I don't think it is a bullish divergence, right? Because we already got a double bottom right here, right? That's a bullish divergence we got right there. And this move basically created what, a flat correction right here, right? And we definitely need this move to the downside just to capitulate right here and then get our get our basically bullish divergence right here. So that's the next bullish divergence we want to look for, because I don't trust this divergence right here. Remember, we got one right here. Okay, we got, but as a divergence, but I like my divergence, okay, to be created below the histogram. What does it mean? Okay, it means like for instance, right, your MACD did not cross your histogram. This move, right, it was overextended. You see what I'm saying? Even though you're making a double bottom, it might not be that strong. Okay, but this move right here, it did not cross your histogram like completely. So the divergence was strong and you got this move to the upside. And what we said, guys, if you're in my public group, we talk about like 35.7 to 38,000 being resistance. Okay, so we did not break it, so the divergence is done and we could create this move to the downside. Okay, so any dips, guys, got to be bought up. All right, so I think like BTC is still bullish as long as we staying above the 2-day 21 EMA. It is still going to be a bull market for the bulls. Okay, so that's it is just what it is, right? It is what it is, but market is still bullish. So head and shoulder pattern formation, it is playing out a strong divergence, right? A strong MACD diverting from the bullish crossover. So it is a strong sell-off. Okay, it is a strong sell-off, but it is still bullish. Okay, broke this support area, could be looking for 1-to-1 extension to the downside. Bang. So just about 30k. Okay, just about 30k right here. Just about 30k right there. It could be, we could get it before end of the week. Okay, I don't think we're gonna get it today, depending on how strong we're gonna be breaking the 8-hour 21, but I don't think we're gonna get it today, right? So, but if we go back to the 2-day time frame, we definitely can get it over the next like a few days and so on, right? So if you're on a BTC short, you just suck it up and hold it. Brandon Carr asking for a link, Ethereum. Imel, hey, what's up, Imel? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Tezos, we're gonna take a look at Tezos. So if you have any request, right, just put it in the chat room and I'm gonna take a look at it. Okay. Hey, what's up, KP? Kelly, thanks a lot for tuning in. Okay. Kelly, Miss Ethereum and Miss Link. Thanks a lot, George. Thanks a lot, Jin Dani. Thanks a lot for hitting the likes, Jin Dani. So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum next before we talk about King X. XRP is not king right now. So let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum next, okay? So Ethereum BTC, as I told you guys, we were very bullish on Ethereum BTC. Like when, guys? Since like, you know, the first pump, like from 0.618 right here, okay? So what we said for Ethereum, guys, we said Ethereum gonna be bouncing off from this range of 0.023, right? And target was what, 0.033. And what we said was that we're gonna wait for Ethereum to give us a direction right there. So don't do anything with Ethereum. So after we retested the top, we said even though we could get rejected, it is still going to be bullish. So best thing to do, wait for Ethereum, right, to give you a breakout, okay? And target to the upside was like 0.04, right? We just hit like 0.0389, so pretty close, and we can still get the 0.04 and higher. One of the reasons is like the bullish divergence we got was a strong bullish divergence on a 2-day basis, okay? So it is not like a hourly divergence and all of that good stuff, okay? And I'm going to show you a very, very good example like on H bar, why H bar is breaking out, because it is one of our top pick in our premium group, right? So you know, we talk about it on the 13th, something like that. Before even the 13th, right, we've been talking about the H bar, and we've been bullish on it, okay? So just like NEO also on a 2-day bullish divergence, all right? So these 2 days bullish divergence, they pretty strong, right? Just like right here. Now this one wasn't a divergence, but it was pretty strong, okay? It was a pretty strong divergence. You could say like it was a divergence. I would say like it is 99% retracement right there and a pump to the upside. You can see like right here, right? This one was a very strong one, right? Previously we pumped like almost 90% versus BTC. So if we're going to be expecting at least, you know, a let's say 60% extension, okay, it is already 60% extension almost, okay? So which means like this move is 60% of this move already. Both of them gave us the same type of divergence, and this one is even stronger. So we could get like a, you know, extension of 2, you know what I mean? Like we could make like a 200% move, you know, versus BTC, okay? Which basically going to take us, let's take a look at it right here. The extension of this move to the upside, 1-to-1 extension going to be just about 0.045, right? 1.618 extension could be like 0.07, okay, over the next like a few you know, over the next like a few weeks. But that's on the log scale, so it might take a while to get there, okay? On the linear scale, let's take a look at it. Let's do it on the linear scale. You got swing low to swing high, back down to swing low. We know log scale, it is going to be 0.045, right? Let's change it to a linear scale. If you change it to linear scale, it is pretty close, okay? 0.0423, okay? And 1.618 extension going to be up to like 0.055. So Ethereum is pretty strong, right? Over the next, like, it will be pretty strong over the next like a few days, few weeks, and so on, okay? As long as we you know, MACD is crossing, it is above the histogram right here, and you know, basically pointing up, right? It is better to stay in. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum USD, okay? So Ethereum USD, we got a potential target up to basically a 2000 right here, right? And basically 1800, okay? So if you take a look at it, Ethereum right here. So what we're looking for is like 1.618. Let's do this. So Ethereum previously, right? Let's go back and do the 1.618 extension so you guys understand what's going on. If you do a swing low to swing high to swing low, right? Ethereum already hit a 1.618 extension, was like $500 to $600. Okay, that was like on the linear scale, all right. But on the log scale, why we were looking for Ethereum to 1035, right? We were looking for Ethereum 845. 1035, okay, 1333. We hit all those targets. So now what we're looking for is like a one-to-one extension, right, of wave one. Remember, this is wave one. Okay, we're just gonna use this as a reference, and we're gonna use this as a basically, you know, final target for wave three, right? And then we're gonna say our next potential move to the upside, which is going to be just about like 50% to 60% of wave one. Okay, which means like 60% of this wave. That's what we're looking for from like $1,000, and that's gonna take us just about like 2,000 range. All right, give or take. All right, so that's the next box. It is not like a short-term target, so it could take a while over the next like a few. I would say like, you know, before the summer, we definitely could hit like a 4,000, not 4,000, but 2,000 to a $2,500 Ethereum. If the move is strong enough, we got one-to-one extension to the upside up to 4,000. Okay, but immediate target for Ethereum, all right, over the next like a few, a few months, we could definitely try to target 2,000 to 2,500. Okay. But short term, okay, definitely we're going to talk about the short term. It can drop down to a 1,200, 1,300, I mean a 1,200, 1,100 and all of that good stuff. But, you know, we're going to talk about the short term now. So let's go ahead and take a look at the short term analysis for Ethereum. Hey, what's up, Rick? Do I think BTC can go under 15,000? I mean, that's not a talk right now in town. So unless, guys, I already told you, okay, as long as we stay above, okay, the 2-day 21 EMA, I don't have any downside target for Bitcoin, okay? We gotta break the 2-day 21 EMA for me to be looking for some downside. I got some like imaginary downside target, right? 25,000, 20,000, but we gotta be able to break below 30,000, which is like 2-day 21 EMA for me to basically start looking for lower numbers. I don't want to focus too much on the lower numbers, and then you're gonna miss the upside target, which is basically 44,000 potentially to 50,000. You see what I'm saying? So let's just focus on the upside target first until we basically complete the wave 3. We're gonna be looking for the next wave to the downside. It is gonna correct. It is gonna correct. That is just what it is. It will correct. Okay. So Ethereum is looking extremely bullish. Okay, so we're gonna talk about support area to look for first. It is going to be right here, 1,000 to a $900 range, right? And why 1,000 to $900 range? We could potentially, all right, get this big correction right here. Okay, we could get this big correction over the next like a few weeks, all right? And at the same time, okay, immediate target right here, we could also get this move right here and get this move to the downside. So Ethereum can definitely retest 1,400 to a 1,500 range, give it, you know, a few weeks and so on, right? So let's take a look at it. But remember, we got an Ethereum target up to 2,000. So when we say Ethereum dropping down to 1,000, you might be confused. The timing is different. Okay, this move basically gonna give us the chance to create our flat correction on the macro scale, I mean on the lower degree, for the next big move to the upside on the macro scale. You see what I'm saying? The move we're gonna create right here, okay, gonna give us the opportunity to pump to the upside, just like the one we got right here. So if you don't understand what's going on, you might be bearish on Ethereum, right? Remember, when Ethereum was doing this, what we said, when Ethereum was dropping right here, we've been saying buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, guys, because it is a flat correction. We're going to pump to the upside. All right. So when BTC was doing it back at, back in December around like 20K, right? Take a look at BTC right here. When BTC was basically correcting in this range, what we did, we said buy the dip right here, take it to the upside. buy the dip right here, we're going to take it to the upside. So if you go back to Ethereum, we could potentially get a similar structure. We could potentially get a similar structure, and sucker gonna be very bullish afterward. Okay, so Ethereum is basically the new king in town, not XRP. So yeah, Ethereum, buy the dip, guys. Not financial advice, but buy the dip right here. Any dips got to get bought up, because our next potential target, guys, $2,000 to $2,500 Ethereum. Hopefully we can get it before the summer. That way we're gonna basically correct, before September and all of that good stuff. And by December, we're gonna get the big move to the upside up to 10K, right? So hopefully it makes sense, all right? XRP, I saying, hey, what's up? What's up, Alonzo? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Which one is better, Bitcoin or XRP? Bitcoin or Ethereum? I mean, it all depends, okay? It all depends on your... Hey, what's up, Charles? Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. It's been a while. DOT is the new XRP. I mean, we've been bullish on DOT since $4. So we got target up to 26 in our premium. So let's see if we're gonna get it. So, but the most important is like being able to accumulate DOT around like $4 to $5, $6. That was the most important. Everything else is going to be just noise, all right? And pumping and dumping and all that good stuff. I wish I could have read your name. You're welcome though. So guys, thanks a lot for hitting the likes. We got 54 likes. That's great. Okay, let's get it to 100 likes now. Okay, let's double up. Let's double up now. It's time to double up. Okay, guys, we talked about already Bitcoin, Ethereum. So let's move on to Litecoin before we talk about a link. So Litecoin, it is slacking. Okay, we got a big support right here, just about $900. $900 Litecoin, come on, just about $99 and 95. Okay, 95 to 105 range going to be a big support. But once again, I got a short-term target for Litecoin back to 185 right here. Okay, so if Litecoin basically going to decide to give us the downside target first, it is still going to be okay. It is going to be very accumulative right here before the next leg up to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye on Litecoin. Resistance just about 185, right? Support just about like a 105 to 95, right? So for Litecoin. So let's move on to Chainlink. So Link, it is bullish. Okay, you see like the flat correction we got on Link right now. That's what I'm expecting from Ethereum. Reason why I'm saying if Ethereum dropped down to $1,000, right there, it is going to be very bullish. So as you can see, Link just give us a big move to the upside, but before a retest right here. Okay, a retest of at least 19.4, 19.5. Okay, and if you take a look at, let's take a look at it on the lower degree. On the low degree, we don't have any bullish divergence yet, right? It is just the first crossover, so don't basically don't be too bullish on it, because it is gonna come back down, give you the second bullish crossover, and you can take it to the upside. So if you get this move, right, it can even be like this. Okay, it all depends, or it can do something like this and drop right here. It is still going to be a bullish divergence. You just don't know how strong it is gonna be, right? You get the drop, it means MACD gonna basically follow through, right? Price action gonna retest the low, and the second bullish crossover right here going to be the decision making, all right? Because we just don't know if the move gonna create a flat correction right here and then get the capitulation right there, get a second bullish crossover right here before taking it to the upside. But both scenarios are pretty bullish. It means like Link, it is going to be a hold regardless, right? If we drop down to $19, or if we're going to drop down to 17.5 to 18.5, right? It is a hold. Man, I don't know anything about WNXM. So we're going to take a look at it. Reminds me later, and We're gonna take a look at it. ICX pretty bullish bottle door. It is one of our top pick in January. So in my premium ICX, you know, one chain, H bar, CRV, TRB, you know, link, and all of that good stuff. All right. Now, so let's go ahead and take a look at King XRP. Hey guys, let's double up. We need 100 likes. If you just join, right, just hit the likes so we can get the streaming, you know, going. So let's go ahead and take a look at XRP really quickly. XLM still holding around like 29 cents. You know, we're looking for like 35 to 40 cents. It dropped yesterday down to 27, bounced right back up. So, but it is still bullish. So we're gonna take a look at it later on. I'm starting to like XRP right now. It is still take a look at it, guys. We got a nice bullish divergence right here on the hourly XRP BTC. A pump is coming, guys. XRP BTC right there. Bang. Didn't notice it. Yeah, a pump is coming, guys. Bang. Right? I love these bullish divergences, okay? They work, okay? So what we can expect right now from XRP is like we gotta break the resistance. I know it is a descending triangle, potentially it is a potential descending triangle, right? So you got a bullish setup, okay, hidden in a bearish setup. So yeah, I would go with the bullish setup right now, just because you know, our MACD, you know, it is strong right now. You know, we're not getting a strong bearish crossover on our moving averages. So let's see if we can break it right here, retest it. We can look for to retest basically 900 sats. Okay, so we could get a nice 10-15% move versus BTC, and on top of that, you know, the move right here could, you know, probably a 5-way structure, and then we got this move ABC correction, right? This is another wave one. We could be looking for a 1.618 extension of that move. That could take us all the way up to almost, that's what I'm saying, almost like 1,000 sats, right? So 900 to 1,000 sats, all right? So XRP pretty short term, I would say bullish. Potential 10 to 15% move versus BTC, okay? Let's take a look at XRP USD. Not quite that bullish. So it means like BTC is not bullish, right? If XRP BTC is bullish, but XRP USD is not bullish, it means like BTC might not be that bullish. So, but the good news is, like, you know, beautiful parallel channel, back down to support right here. MACD is not yet strong yet, but it is crossing bullish. So let's see if XRP can hold just about like 27, okay? You know, 27 to 28 cents, and we could look to target you know, back to like a 33 and so on, which is like the trend line resistance right there. If we break it, yeah, we're gonna be in trouble. Okay, we're gonna be in trouble because next accumulation could be right here. Okay, bottom just about 21 to 25. Okay, so keep an eye on XRP. I would basically pay attention to XRP BTC right now because it got a clear direction, right? Beautiful bullish divergence. So I think that's a better setup than the XRP USD pair. Yeah, we're gonna take a look at XLM. BTC was not that strong. Because in a bull market, you don't have to be, you really don't have to be long in all the time. Just that good stuff. Oh, that's XRP. Let's see. That was XLM. Okay. Oh, that was XLM. Okay, I was looking at the chart, not XRP. Excuse me. So XLM. Yeah, I'm gonna check XRP. So I was just looking at the pattern. You see, when I do these analysis, I just go by the pattern. I don't even look the. I don't care about the asset most of the time, right? Like when I'm scanning the market, I just scan the pattern. Yeah. So XLM. So XLM got this bullish divergence. So it was kind of weird. XRP was not bullish on the dollar. Yeah, kind of choppy right here. Might look for the 6 hour. So XRP BTC, I would be cautious and just wait. Right, the direction is not clear really. Okay, it is not clear. So let's go back to XLM, because XLM, we were bullish on XLM. I'm still bullish on XLM USD, right? But it could not break this 31 cents resistance, right? So right now, XLM BTC is bullish, so we might just, we might just suck it up and stay with XLM BTC. You see what I'm saying? Because XLM USD could drop, because the BTC could drop, right? But XLM USD could drop, but XLM BTC could pump, because we got this flat correction, bullish divergence on the hourly basis, right? So MACD above 21 EMA, price above 21 EMA. If like we can get a bullish crossover, a strong one, we could definitely get a 1-to-1 extension right here. So regardless of what BTC is going to do, XLM could outperform BTC. Okay, we could get the 900 range. Okay. Yeah, XRP 900, man. Yes, because they both at the same price. That's why I was kind of, yeah. So yeah, XLM pretty nice. All right, more likes. Let's get it to 100, guys. Let's get it to 100. Hey, what's up, Paul? Thanks a lot for tuning in. All right, thanks a lot, MF666 in the house. MEF in our premium group. Alonso in the premium group. So guys, if you're looking to join some premium group, you know exactly what to do, right? So let's see. So if you're looking to join some premium group, you can definitely look to join some premium group, so you can get some of these target. Just like one chain, we got beautiful setup for one chain for a massive breakout over the next like a few weeks. Okay, H bar, we talk about it. Tron, we got some beautiful setup for Tron. We got some beautiful over a week ago before the breakout to the upside. Right now it is like above like 644. Okay, so you take a look at CRH. Okay, we talk about it during our premium. We basically talk about it during our live stream and added it into our premium targets. And sucker is basically pumping, looking nice. Okay, it was like 73 when we added it. Right now it is. Let's take a look at CRH. We're gonna take a look at CRH later on. IOTX, also a beautiful setup, right? Most of these coins, guys, they're not even pumping yet. Okay, most of them not pumping yet. Kusama, bang. Okay, buy range was like 60 to 68. It pumped all the way up to 120. That's like 100% move. Take a look at CRV, bang. Okay, so CRV, we talk about it like when CRV was like 40 cents. Right now CRV is like 150 and could pump all the way up to $5. So that's a 10x back. Okay, that's the type of move you're gonna get with Zen Crypto. Let's go back to the streaming. So let me see here. Let me take a look at the Voyager BQX. We're going to take a look at BQX. Neolink.ada XLM, your 100x coins. All right, great. Can you take a look at MakerDAO? You're gonna take a look at it. All right. So XLM, guys, it is still bullish. Beautiful, beautiful trend line support. And these alt, I noticed recently, they like parallel channels, right? So if we're gonna play this parallel channels, I think XLM still could hit basically you know, 900. Basically everything we just talked about regarding the 120 extension, 1.618 extension, everything is calling for a potential move to the upside, right? So versus BTC. Beautiful divergence right there, guys. Beautiful, beautiful setup, man. Daniel Cully in the house. What's my prediction for XRP? Is it worth holding? I mean, it all depends on your goals, right? So if you can hold XRP, BTC is around, Ethereum is around. I mean, a 10x is just a 10x. A 100x is always going to be a 100x, all right? So trying to find a safe wallet. I mean, if you're trying to find a safe wallet for Polkadot, I think the ledger is fine, right? It's not live, but it is okay. You can accumulate it, because Polkadot, if you go and take a look at Polkadot, right, I think the market cap for Polkadot is right now over 15 billion, right? Yeah, dot is like what, 16 billion. So if you take a look at 16 billion, I mean, you know, circulating supply 24 billion. So is that, yeah, 24 billion. No, that's Tether. So circulating supply is 1 billion. Yeah, it makes sense right now. Okay, so I think dot not 1 billion circulating supply, roughly $100 dot gonna take you just about like $100 billion. I mean 100 billion market cap. If you go back to XRP back in 2017, market cap bull market peak was like 100 billion. So you know, it can definitely be like, you know, 200 to 300 billion market cap during the bull market peak, and you would be looking for like a 200 to a $300 dot, right? So I mean, if and only if, you know, BTC going to stay constant, all right, above like, you know, 80K and all of that good stuff. Yeah, Cardano market cap back in 2017 was like 30 billion. I think 25 to 30 billion we picked in that range, and dot could be way above like 25-30 billion, right? So, and Cardano could basically go up to like maybe 300 billion also, right, market cap, which is another 30x, right? So, which is a $10 Cardano over the next like a few months, right, few years. Take a look at Litecoin, 10 billion market cap. You know, that's not a lot. So we could definitely hit the 200 to 250 billions. Chainlink right here. Chainlink, I'm just looking for a potential 10% of Ethereum, right? So if Ethereum gonna hit 1 trillion, you know, definitely, 10% of that, you know, you know, Chainlink could be way above, like 100 billion to 200 billion range. Okay, 10 to 15% of Ethereum market cap, right? Right now it is not even a 10% of Ethereum, so it means like Chainlink, it is going to be a good hold versus Ethereum, right? So right now Chainlink is just about like what, let's say 7.5% of Ethereum. So we could get like a 15% to a 10 to 15% of Ethereum market cap by the bull market peak, right? So hopefully it makes sense. Okay, so let's go back to the chat room. Man, I don't know what's WN. It's on Binance actually. Take a look at on 2-day basis. Let's see. It is a hold. It is above your 21 EMA. So November, but it just hit November prices. So just be cautious because November prices are their resistance right now. So if you're holding an alt and it hits November resistance, just be cautious because it can start. It can start to move sideways. All right, but it looks good above the 21 EMA 2-day basis. Very accumulative, right? Still accumulative. Okay, still accumulating. Okay, even if you get this move, it is still going to be accumulative. So, and you're going to get the bigger divergence right there with your wedge pattern. That's possible. I'm not saying it's going to do that, right? Because it doesn't have enough history. Basically, that's exactly what I tried to say right there. Okay, let's move on to Tezos. Tezos, I'm gonna repeat it again, right? And I'm gonna say it out loud too. I'm very I need 100 likes, okay, to tell you how bullish I'm on Tezos. Okay, let's get 100 likes, right? And then we're gonna see how bullish I'm on Tezos. Let's go ahead and take a look at Wave. So Wave is bullish, right? Bullish divergence right here. These patterns, guys, you just have to recognize them, right? You cannot see it on a 2-day basis, but we did recognize it on an 8-hour basis, right? So we were bullish on Tesla on waves, right? $5 to a 5.5 range, 5.4. Beautiful bullish divergence right here. Target was 8.5 to 7.5. We already hit our target. Might be crossing bearish. However, on the bullish side, right? However, you gotta think about, accumulation. All right. So if we're gonna get this move, that's still going to be okay. It could be overextended and retest like almost right here, 4.5. Okay. If we get any panic selling, you see it at $3, that's going to be a great buy. I don't think it is going to happen, right? But short term, it is bullish. MACD about to cross bullish right there. Our target got hit 8.3, 8.5 range, so we could be taking it all the way up to $9 range, 8.8 to $9, and we're going to basically reassess after that, right? So expect like some profit taking right here on Wave. Any Willie? Let's go ahead and take a look at a Sire coin. Let's take a look at .BTC first, because somebody asking for .BTC. Yeah, .BTC just hit a that BTC just hit 0.888. So it did hit our 0.618, retrace down here, 50% retrace down here, pump all the way up to 0.888. So it is at resistance. If we can break this resistance, guys, over the next like a few weeks, we could potentially look for 1.27, 1.41 extension to the upside, right? So that's going to be a nice move, but I don't think it's going to be that easy to get up to like a just about like 88,000, right? 88,000 to a 90,000 BTC, okay, right there, 78,000 to a 90,000. That's going to be a long-term analysis. Right now we're just going to focus on 50,000 range to 45,000 range, and support going to be right there, just about 30 to 40,000, going to be the big support, or basically your 2-day 21 EMA, whichever comes first. All right, so watch out for your 2-day 21 EMA, just in case VGX data. All right, let's go back to XTZ. So Tezos BTC, it is still a hold, guys, on the 8-hour basis. On the 2-day basis, we've been under accumulation since like September. Right here, that's the first bullish crossover, right? You got your second bullish crossover right here, and you got your third bullish crossover right there, just like CHR. Okay, 3 bullish crossovers. You got 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's a stronger one right here, and we got resistance right there, resistance right here, right? This one was a flat correction, bullish crossover. So, but we got another resistance right there. So Tezos upside target to look for over the next like a few throughout the bull market, basically going to be 16,000, 23,000, and 40,000, give or take. Okay, and accumulation range going to be right here, since like we've been creating some bullish divergences, right? We might, once again, okay, one thing I don't like is like when MACD is like the distance between your MACD and your histogram, when it's like really big, sometimes it is not easy to get a big move. Okay, so if like we can get more, if a price action can accumulate right here while MACD is still trending up, right, and all of a sudden, guys, we're gonna get the big move as soon as the MACD, the blue line, is above the histogram, even though it is positive. Okay, but the closer it is to the histogram, the bigger the move going to be. Okay, you see what I'm saying? The closer it is to the histogram, the bigger the move it is. The bigger the move. Okay, because MACD price action can still retest the low right here, and MACD is still not gonna cross negative. It is still going to be positive, because price might not break the low so far. Okay, so, and if it does, we still get a trend line support right here. It means it is still going to be accumulative. Okay, but the next one could be very fast and get close to the histogram, right? So very, very accumulative over the next like a few weeks. Can you check Mahadawa? You mean Makadawa or Mahadawa? Mahadawa, okay. Some Uniswap. I mean, it's nothing I can do with this. Gotta give it like few days and few weeks to get a better, you know, better charting, better, you know, better chart. But right now I can't do anything with this. If you like it, you just huddle it. If not, you just you know, you can just wait. Yeah, it's nothing I can do. I can't do any charting on it. It doesn't have enough history to do anything on it. Yeah, lower degree hourly is crossing bearish. That's the only thing I can do. Your support is right here, right? Just about a, you know, just about 0.009, and you got another big support right here, 0.035. Ethereum, baby. So guys, make sure to hit the likes. I mean, CRV. If you in our premium group, you know, you just sit tight, relax, and don't do anything with CRV, right? So wave 4 is right here, and we could potentially get the wave 5 up to over $2 range. Okay, I already give my guys a total analysis regarding CRV, you know, macro view and all of that good stuff. So CRV is still a hold. BQX, this sucker likes to moon a lot. Sats. So it is at resistance. So the type of move I'm expecting from a VeChain. So yeah, it did great last time. Last alt season, it did great. Starting like late May, all the way up to you know, started like at 300 and pumped to like a 2000. So nearly a, you know, 6-7x move. And right now it did the, I mean, it is doing the same thing, 400 to basically almost 4,000, a 10x move versus BTC. All right, so I don't think it is the same as ethos. I don't think that's the same thing as ethos. I don't know if you guys remember ethos, right? I'm not sure if BQX is the same thing as ethos, but tranquilos que les apuesto que después que Mudema va subir a 37,500 y desestabilizante otro dip. Basically he's saying in Spanish, you know, his Bitcoin gonna, you know, dip down to you know, by the dip anywhere below 37,500, it is going to be a dip, and it's gonna pump. Don't take my words, man. I don't know anything about what I just read. Hey, what's up, Farouk? MDA maker. So Maker BTC, give it time to cool off. It is still bullish. You got a potential support right there, just by 0.033, all the way down to like 0.029. Okay, but it is still bullish. Beautiful divergence right there, just like XLM. I wouldn't be surprised, right, to see Maker, right, okay, before the next big leg up, just like XLM, okay, below 0.029, right, it might be a time to get rid of it and get back into BTC. Yeah, Link is going to the moon, Mr. D. Swanson. Oh, Instant Karma said, what I just read on Spanish, okay, it said, guys, just chill, okay? So basically, BTC finna pump to like a 37,500 and after 39K, okay? So basically, that's what I said, right? So, even though I read what I read, I didn't know anything about it. QSP. So guys, if you have any alt you wanted me to check, just let me know, right? So QSP is a whole, right? Just about 770 to 100 sats. It is going to be a buy the dip. Beautiful accumulation right here. So we could be looking for a potential target all the way up to 200 sats, up to like 300 sats. So keep an eye on QSP right here, okay? Yo, QDOM is under accumulation, right? I'm bullish on QDOM. So I got a target up to a divergence. So QDOM is under accumulation in our group. So short-term target was right here. We already hit our short-term target when QDOM was like 7,050. We were looking for 9,058. We already hit it. We got another target 12,000 right there, and a big one right here. So QDOM is a big hold, okay? POLS, I don't know what POLS is, man. I mean, crypto is too volatile for payment method, man. Uni USDT. Hey, what's up, John E. Banks in the house? Let's take a look at Uni BTC. Yeah, Uni is still a hold, man. Let's go back right here, because Uni, let's see. So Uni, our support was like 4.4 to $5 range. Got hit our target right here. So it is still a hold. It is struggling to break this trend line. It could try to retest like $14 to $15 if we break this trend line. But let's see, big support is $5. Any dip at $5 is going to be bought up, okay? Because, you know, the challenge right now is to break a $9 to $10 range. Mr. Gilham Aruda says, is 50x leverage is okay? You must not gotten wrecked before, but that's why you're asking. If you haven't gotten wrecked yet, maybe it's okay, right? But if you got wrecked before, maybe it's not okay. So don't mess with that one, okay? It is definitely not okay, right? It is. So QDOM USD, I'm still bullish on QDOM USD also. We got a target up to basically $4 right here, but it is it could be on the next Bitcoin move. Once Bitcoin basically consolidate, we can retest the bottom right here and try to find a bullish divergence on this double bottom, and we could potentially find it on the 8-hour. Let's see. Nah. So if QDOM, yeah, it's no way we're gonna get a bullish divergence right here. Let's check it on 2 hour. Not on the 2 hour. So ETHEREUM is saying like we basically just have to pump without any divergences. 1 hour, no. So I don't know how we're gonna do it. Because if like we drop down to 2.6, I mean target is all the way up to $4. Okay, it is just like how we're gonna do it. Are we gonna, you know, it is a wedge pattern, so it is not a very explosive move, explosive pattern, right? However, if like we just get a big breakout bull flag, we can take it to the upside. But based on pattern, I don't see. I might need to take a look at it again, right? It is kind of like the move we got right here. Okay. And MACD was doing the same thing also right here. So no way we could have basically break out. But this time it could be different, okay? But if we just drop quickly, right here, and then, you know, we can start like creating a bullish divergence right here and then pump. That's also possible. But ETHEREUM longer time frame, it is a hold, so that's just a short-term analysis. Any dips, right, got to get bought up. Is it there? Hey, what's up, cows? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the don't forget to hit the likes. Hey, what's up? Your name is Jeff. Jeff in the house. Jeff is asking what will happen to BTC. I don't know. Guys, we need 12 more likes to get to 100k. Okay, not 100k, 100 likes. Okay. So Jeff, my name is Jeff. Make sure to hit the likes. Cows FR, make sure to hit the likes. Sky in the house, make sure to hit the likes. Ben Tempo in the house, big up Mr. San, thanks a lot, man. I just hit the likes. Need to cook. You're cooking. Oh man, you're cooking and got me on the background. That's nice. Make sure you got BTC on the background too, just in case you suck a dump. Let's see. Let's go back to BTC and ADA. So Wi-Fi USD, we got target up to 50,000. It is very, I mean, Wi-Fi is so bullish, guys. Like it is so bullish, right? And we could hit basically 50,000 right here, right? We got a trend line support right there, right? I was bullish on Wi-Fi right here, okay, guys. You guys remember, right? When Wi-Fi was doing this, we were looking for 36,000, right? 36 to 40,000, right? But it did not break out. Instead, we knew the direction, right? Even though, you know, it was just moving, doing this, we knew the direction. After this pump right here, the bull flag, we called it in our group right there, 24,000 to 30 to 40,000. Bang, okay, one single move to the upside. So the next move to the upside, it is going to be similar to the previous move. Could be, okay, I just don't know, right? But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's potential. That's potentially wave 5, and we could retest wave 4 territory right here for support. If we break it, we could drop all the way down again to 20,000 and eliminate the bullish crossover right here. I mean, retrace down to 0.786. It is still going to be bullish, and we can take it to the upside up to 50,000. That's also very possible. But as of now, I'm looking at the short-term bullishness right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all the way down to 27,000 range. Bang. That's going to be a nice move, right? Because we also going to respect the trend line support right here. Okay, depending how bullish you are and how much you are ready to FOMO, you can draw your trend line however you like it. Okay, that's possible. Okay, if this pattern fails, we just suck it up and potentially look for the big support right here. Okay, capiche? Got it? Thanks a lot, man. We got the 100Ks like 100 likes, not 100Ks. I'm getting my numbers wrong like crazy. 100K likes. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys are bullish on AVE, right? But I got target for AVE 330. I upgraded our target from 165 up to 330. Entry was like $90 to $100. First target 165. We already hit 200, so we got another one at 330. And after 330, we got one at 700. But we will see, okay? We just need to, the most important was like to hit the 165 to 200. And next one, it is going to be 300 right here. Another 30% move, 50% move, right? So keep an eye on AVE. You like to keep your liquidation at least 30% away from your entry. I mean, after a 25-30% drop, if you can keep your liquidation above, above 30%, that's safe enough, right? But you don't want to, even, after market pump 20% and you're trying to long it, a 30% liquidation might not be enough. So that means you have to suck it up and put a stop loss. Oh, you use 10x. Okay, good. Good for you, man. Be careful with those 10x's. I can get you wrecked very quick. You're gonna wake up and you're gonna be looking for your. Be careful with those 10x's, right? ADA, somebody just joining asking for ADA. ADA is consolidating right now. Already hit target 39 right there, which was like 1.27 to 1.41 extension, right, as expected. Exactly, right? Right here, okay, hit 39 cents, drop back down to 0.888 resistance, right, support right here. Next support for ADA, just keep an eye on your 6 hour 100 EMA over the next few weeks, and 8 hour 100 EMA also. If you're patient enough, you can wait for it, okay? A drop down to 25 cents is it is still possible for ADA to drop back down to 25 cents, right? 1, 2, because you got a 5-wave structure right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It can retest wave 5 territory right here, right? Give you a beautiful flat correction and basically take it to the upside, for another move, okay? That's very possible, all right? So ADA, the biggest support we could get if we get any market shakeout, right? That's going to be right here, okay? The low 20 cents, right? But upside target, next upside target, it is just about 44, okay? So if we get a bad news for crypto, you know how to deal with it. Because remember, it is not guaranteed, you know, all the time, like, you know, price gonna be pumping to the upside. That's why you gotta be cautious and be ready for the downside. Okay, when you're ready for the downside, if market sells off, you know how to deal with it, because you're gonna anticipate the flat correction and you're gonna be like, I'm gonna take it to the moon after that, right? Bang. But as of now, once again, it is a hold for 44. I mean, for a potential target up to 44 cents. Hey, what's up, Spencer? Thanks a lot for tuning in. YSR, thanks a lot for tuning in. Make sure to hit the likes. You and Spencer, Anthony. Brian G says, hey Ivan, I think like you know, I hope 41k is going to be resistance. Let's get back to let's get back to a 41k so we can prove it, you know. But you know, he's saying it really doesn't matter, right? BTC always gonna break the all-time high. That's true. Okay, that is true. It is most likely gonna break 41. It is just a matter of time. It might take like a few months before we break it, but it is just going to be a matter of time, right? Yeah, everything is up like 2x, 3x. Since November, most suckers up like, hey, what's up, Johnish? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Melissa in the house. Melissa is saying like, oh, run away, everything is gonna dump. This is the end. Melissa wanna buy your coin, so don't listen to Melissa. I'm trying to read your comments, guys. Let's go back to XLM for Bitcoin, man. So XLM BTC, we talked about it earlier. We said it is bullish. That's when we thought like we were analyzing. We thought we were analyzing XRP, but it was XLM. So XLM still bullish. We just need a 6-hour bullish crossover. We could not get it even on the dollar value, but if we get a 6-hour bullish crossover, that could take us all the way up to like 950 to 1000 sats, right? So keep an eye on an XLM potential breakout. The USD, it is not that strong. MACD is still bearish. I was expecting an XLM breakout to 35, 37, okay? But price action was above the 21 right here, but we lost the momentum. So if we dip down, look for 25 to 23 support area right here, okay? 25 to 23, which is your 6-hour 100 EMA to 8-hour 100 EMA, okay? 100 EMA on the 8-hour 23.6, on the 6-hour just about 25. So 23 to 25 going to be temporary support. I mean, it is a healthy correction. If we go back to BTC, let's go back to BTC. So it is very good to understand like the BTC structure. If you notice well, I'm not bearish on BTC, right? But I'm not extremely bullish on the correction, because it is correcting. You just have to let it correct, okay? In our premium, you know, we got target to the upside, right? But we also know we got a support to the downside. Okay, it is just market structure. It doesn't mean like you bearish, right? I showed you the structure on our previous live stream, and I was like, keep an eye on BTC down. Okay, I told you about the BTC down. I was like, once the BTC down hits 33, 34 cents, we're gonna be bullish versus we're gonna be bullish on BTC. Okay, as you can see, we got a big sell volume at resistance, right, for the BTC down. If the bulls gonna be ignoring this big sell volume, that could basically trigger a big move, okay? Because they have to come up with a bigger volume to break this resistance, and that type of volume could be something like this to break this resistance at 26, and they can take it up to basically, let's check the 4-hour 100 EMA first. 4-hour 100 EMA just about 30 cents, and we got resistance right there, closing resistance on 4-hour just about 33. So a 10% move, actually that's a 25% move on the down, okay, the BTC down. And I showed you the structure last time, guys. That's what I'm telling you guys. I got special structures, they work, okay? 80 to 90% of the time they work, okay? Well, when the BTC down was doing this on the 17th, what we said, look for this move, okay? And after what we're gonna look for? We're gonna look for this move. I showed you live, okay? Live. So that's what is it doing, and we could potentially get the 33 to 30 cents. So BTC is not very, very, very strong as of now, okay? Let's see. And we're about to lose our divergence on the 4-hour time frame, right? That's not good. Okay, I was hoping we can keep the divergence right here as support. It is not a divergence to for a breakout, so it could be just a divergence for a correction. Because if we go back to the hourly, as we talk about it on the you know, the first 15, because the MACD was already above the histogram. You see what I'm saying? I like to get a divergence, like everything get built up right here at the bottom, kind of like this. Everything get built up below the histogram, right? So you got this divergence, you got the flat correction. And if you go back to BTC higher time frame, right? Ooh, is this beautiful setup? Look at this beautiful setup on CRV, guys. Look at this beautiful setup on CRV, guys. Beautiful premium setup. Beautiful, guys. If we go back to a BTC on, like, you take a look at it right here. So bearish on BTC last year, back in 2019, right? You gotta remember, right? Everyone was calling for what? 100K and all of that good stuff, right? No, we did not call it us. We called for a drop down to 4K, right? Why? Because we already got the bullish divergence, right? Price action gave us the double top. That's it. We're done. MACD crossed bearish on a 2-day basis. Bang, we're done. If you take a look at it right here, it's the same structure, okay? Same structure right here. We got the bullish divergence, right? And price action gave us what? Let's take a look at it right here. We got the flat correction right here, right? Price action giving us this flat correction right here. What do we expect? We gotta expect this move to the downside. That's why we're looking for, you know, 31, 30K, low 30K. Okay, low 30K. This move, we're looking for this move potentially, all right? So BTC down is just a token, right? So if BTC is down, if the Bitcoin price is down, it goes up. If the Bitcoin price goes up, that token goes down. Okay, so it is a good indicator of you know, price action. Most of the time I don't trade it. However, I'll use it as an indicator, like I use my MACD. So if I'm bullish on the BTC down, I have to be bearish on Bitcoin. If I'm bearish on the Bitcoin, if I'm bearish on BTC down, I have to be bullish on Bitcoin. You see what I'm saying? So they work in opposite, right? So it is a very, very good tool to use, right? So for instance, if you're bearish on Bitcoin and you don't want to short it, you can just buy the Bitcoin down. Because if Bitcoin drops 10% or even 3%, as you can see right now, Bitcoin only drops like 3%, right? But the Bitcoin down is 10% up. You see what I'm saying? So you don't need to do any leverage on it. You're not going to get liquidated, right? Because it is just like holding, you know, ADA or anything else, right? But if you don't know how to trade it, you just don't mess with it. Hey, what's up, Roger? What's up, Anthony? Roger that. Thanks a lot. Hey, King of Holland in the house. Incorrect title. Bitcoin correction live stream. Bitcoin is correcting. What is so wrong about the title? Oh, Ethereum to all-time high, maybe. Yeah, Ethereum gonna hit all-time high. It is just a matter of time. So guys, if you just joined the streaming, we got like 50 people who just joined the streaming. Make sure to hit the likes, right? And if you have any requests, you can just put it in the comment section. If you haven't hit the likes yet, if you ask me any question, I might wait till you hit the likes, okay? And subscribe also, okay? You subscribe, you hit the, if it is going to move or if it is going to be moving sideways. What's up, Farouk? XRP short term just sideways. Look for 25 to a 28 range accumulation. Let's take a look at the dollar. So the dollar could be, guys, the dollar is on a massive bullish divergence on the 2-day. So that's not good at all, guys. It is on a massive accumulation. So guys, if you're looking to join some crypto premium, you can definitely join my public Telegram group, and I also got a public Discord. If you're looking to join the public Discord, you can click on the link in the description, okay? But the public Telegram group is more active, all right? So we got like, we got almost like 780 traders, so make sure to join. And I'll be giving like targets also, all right, in my public Telegram group, all right? I'll give you guys, if you take a look at it, so if you just join, just go ahead and check the pin messages, right? That's where you're gonna, if you click on the pin, you can see like my targets and everything, okay? So like for instance, I give you guys balancer before the breakout. So you take a look at it, balancer was like below 6,000 and we're looking for 8,000. So if you're in a public Telegram group, you can take advantage of these moves, right? Take a look at SXP, I'll give it to you guys, all right? Looking for like almost 5,000 target over the next few weeks, few days, right? And if you take a look at Kava, I give you guys Kava USD breakout. When Kava was like $2, we were looking for what, $3 to $2.50. It is still a hold, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at. So basically, this was our private update because I got banned by YouTube, so I had to do my updates on TradingView. So make sure to follow me on TradingViews so you can get these updates. Okay, I explained to you guys everything, all right, in this video, right? So right here also, talk about the BTC correction and all of that good stuff, right? So make sure to join the public Telegram group. XRP, I gave you guys a target when XRP was 25. We called for 35 to basically 37. Bang, okay, beautiful setup. So right here, BTC right there, that was the Binance coin, right? Okay, Ethereum, I already gave you guys before the breakout. I told you guys that's what we're gonna get, all right? So, and I explained to you guys why we're gonna be getting all of these good stuff, all right? So make sure to join my public Telegram group. So make sure just to check on the pin messages right here, so you can get all my messages, right? So if you just join the group, right? Thanks a lot for joining in, right? So if you want to upgrade to the premium group, you definitely can just also click on the pin messages, right? The pin message, right? So you can get all the information you need regarding the premium group and all of that good stuff. So if you're looking for free targets and all of that good stuff, you just have to basically click on the link in the description. So let's go back to the dollar. I'm starting to like the dollar, guys. We got the second crossover right here. So, but once again, it does not mean we're gonna be breaking out, because I just said it, right? We might get even like 3 crossovers, which means like the dollars might just be moving sideways like that, right? And give us another one right here, which means like price action can still do this for the dollar and do that, okay? And by that time, BTC might already hit 50K, right? So, but the dollar is starting to be bullish, just like alt. Opa Oma, thanks a lot for tuning in, man. He's saying Send Crypto is best in the game. Oh, VChain is one of our, hey, what's up, Jojo in the house? I'm pretty sure you already hit the likes, right? By asking about VChain, right? So VChain is one of our top pick, right? For this bull run. You know, we talk about it, buy VChain around like 50 sats. Right now it is like almost 100 sats. So it is one of our top pick. Let's go ahead and take a look at VChain. So to get these targets, right, you got to join the public Telegram group at least, right? Premium, you can definitely get more targets for this 100x potential. So VChain, I said it long time ago, right? We already got our double crossover on our 2-day basis. It is just accumulating, and we're going to be looking for the next move to the upside, okay? I think VChain can hit 1,000 sats in this bull run, okay, versus BTC, not even versus the dollar, right? So you're looking at it, if BTC doubles, right, and VChain 10x versus BTC, that's a 30x move, okay, 30x move, right, on the dollar value. So VChain, massive gains. So guys, let me know what you think about you know, BTC right now, all right? And let me know your favorite coins. What is your favorite coins in this bull run? Which bag you're holding, okay? Expecting a 100x to 1000x in this bull market, okay? So Tron, I'm still bullish on Tron, expecting a big move to the upside, right? So let's take a look at Tron BTC. So Tron BTC could lag a little bit, could be lagging, just because we do not have a bullish divergence right here. It already created a low, right? So we might do something like this just to create a higher highs right here, okay? So it means like the first pump on Tron have to take profits, okay? I just don't know how the bull's gonna do it, but I'm still bullish on Tron, right? They can pump and retest right here just to get the bullish crossover, and after that, sucker gonna pump all the way up to, you know, 300, 400 sats. So BTC just about 34.8. No. No fire. I think it's on Binance. No sci-fi. No. I can't find this sucker versus BTC. Well, let's just take a look at it on Coinbase. On Coinbase, it is still a hold. Let's check new on CoinMarketCap, because I haven't really check this sucker. Seems like it's getting hyped right now. It doesn't have any information right now. It does. It's about 100 million market cap. That's the first pump. Error is under accumulation. All right. Just about 400 million supply, right? That's not a lot. Data privacy, access control, and other, services, decentralized application and protocol, blah, blah, blah. It can stake. Okay, great. I mean, that's another sucker that could potentially 100x. So let's see. All right, Anthony. Thanks a lot, man. So let's take a look at Algo. So Algo is not one of my top picks for this, but we do trade it. Let's go back to Algo BTC. I like Algo BTC better than the USD pair. So Algo BTC, beautiful reversal in a three-way move, right? Beautiful divergence right there. So it is still a hold, right? So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You could be getting wave number 5 to the upside. You got 1, 2. So exactly. Let's take a look at something very, very important. Okay. If you take a look at Algo BTC, the structure we just created right here, okay, this move, that's what we could get on BTC. That's exactly what I tried to show you earlier, right? So we could get another wave to the upside. We got 1, 2, 3. That could potentially be the end of wave 4, and we're going to be looking for wave 5. Not sure if it's going to be a ending diagonal or just a straight pump. Let's try to correlate it on the higher time frame. Yeah, it makes perfect sense to me, because on the 8-hour, let's take a look at the 2-day time frame actually. Yep, on the 2-day basis, we already got the strong momentum, right? And price action above the 21 EMA. If you guys remember our analysis back in January 1st, what we said alt, they're still bearish versus BTC. What we need to be bullish on alt is like they have to start trading above the 21 EMA, at least on a 2-day basis. Okay, MACD already crossed bullish, so what we needed is like a pump just to start trading right here. They don't have to pump right away. They can keep pumping, okay, but they don't have to. They can accumulate right here, just like what we did back in 2019. Okay, if like we go back to let's say I think ICX one chain and all of that good stuff. Let's go to ICX. If you go back to ICX back in 2019, you can see the move we got right here, okay? And you can go back and watch my ICX, any of my ICX video back then. Okay, I was very bullish on ICX right here. ICX one chain all the way up to like 10,000 sats. Okay, so that's the type of move we could get. You can see like we got the bullish crossover right here, but we did not pump. We created a big divergence before we pump above the 21 EMA, consolidate, bang. Okay, so that could be another move just like that, right? We could be getting from alt. Take a look at ICX once again, right? Consolidation. What is a consolidation? Whenever your price action is making lower lows, your MACD making high lows, high highs, that's consolidation. Okay, once your MACD gets very close to your histogram right here, that's when you're going to get the explosive move. ICX, we're very bullish on it. It is on my top pick for 2021, right? So be aware of a potential big breakout from ICX. We just need to break 2800, right, and 2700, and we could basically be looking for a big move to the upside, right? So DNT, so DNT is similar to not similar, but DNT was one of our top pick last year back in June, right? Let's check. I don't check the USD pair, just a BTC pair. So if you take a look at DNT, it was one of our top pick last year, right here. Okay, right there. Okay, DNT when it was like 50 sats, something like that. Right now, you're talking. If you've been holding DNT since we started talking about it, right now DNT is almost like what, 300 sats. Okay, above 300. We talk about it right here. So I give you guys macro targets, not like day trading targets. Okay, so my targets, like if you can wait 3 to 6 months or even like 9 months, you got a potential to 10x. Not financial advice, right? Of course. Let's go back to the BTC down. Yeah, so BTC down. I think BTC still got another move to the upside, not the down, but because the down, once again, it is not that close to the histogram, so it can still drag down. Okay, drag up. Take a look at it on the daily. Take a look at it on the hourly, 8 hour. Yeah, so the down, it is still bullish, so Bitcoin has to consolidate and wait for the down to get, to take care of business. Hey, what's up, Adam? Adam in the house. We just talked about your DNT. So Adam, hopefully you know what to do, right? I already checked your coins, right? So you know what to do, right, Adam? Okay. Gotta hit the likes and subscribe and hit the notification. All right, if you don't, I'm gonna dump DNT tomorrow. I'm just joking. Let's go back to BTC, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at BLZ first, because Blue Zell, it is one of our, bullish target. Yeah, Blue Zell, we got target up to almost 800. Okay, we could potentially pump all the way up to 800, just like BQX, right? And just like H bar. Okay, H bar, we talked about it last week before the pump. The resistance we just have to deal with is like right here. We just have to deal with 550. So it has another potential 25%, 30% move. So keep an eye on Blue Zell before any corrections. Okay. So guys, let me know what you think about BTC. If you have any alt you want me to take a look at, put it in the chat room so I can take a look at it. We got 100 watching, right? At least some of you guys got some alt you watching. You're thinking like they're gonna dump and all of that, but market is still bullish. Hey, what's up, Apski? Make sure to hit the likes and subscribe first before we talk about the link. Let's go ahead and take a look at the link for Apski. So link, it is still bullish. Go ahead and check my update regarding link. We're looking for a potential move all the way up to $30. Okay, all the way up to $37 to $40. All right, but that's a bigger picture move. All right, we got support right here right now, 18.5 to 17.5 range. Immediate resistance to look for to the upside, 27 to basically 25. Any dips, right? If you see like big market panic selling right here, don't let it drop below $13 because that could be a life-changing buying opportunity for link. All right, but beautiful bull flag right here, and then to the upside. Link is still a hold, no sign of bearishness. Yeah, Tether did great, but it is still consolidating. So guys, don't forget to hit the likes. We got 130 watching, right? So if you have any requests, put it in the chat room, and we're gonna go back to BTC and do another BTC quick analysis again, and look for potential support. Oh, Mike Maloney is bullish on H bar. That's a good news. Alright guys, make sure to hit the likes. Guys, don't forget to hit the likes. Subscribe to the channel. You know, make sure to share the content, and we're gonna basically take it to the moon. All right, let's take a look at Neo, guys. Neo, I got a target up to $44, but we just need to break above 32. If you're basically familiar with Neo, you know, like a low $30 is a historical resistance for Neo. And after that, you know, the next historical resistance for Neo going to be like 41 to 44. You just have to remember those targets for Neo. Right here. It is exactly at 0.618, $41, okay? And down to 27. That was like, you know, accumulation range before the July 2018 sell-off, right? So Neo, we about to be above the 100 EMA on a daily basis, and if you notice well, we already got the bullish crossover on the weekly right here. So price action above the weekly 100 EMA. So any dip right now got to get bought up for Neo. So support could be all the way down to $19 to retest, like, you know, the weekly 100 EMA, but temporary support is just about, you know, 25, 26 right now, and we could look for this move right here. Okay, $40 to $44 next. Hey, what's up, Mini? Join our premium group to get these, detailed analysis. H bar. Now, H bar, it is a hold. It is not a. I don't think, I don't have it as a day trading setup. Okay, we H bar to falls. Just wait. We could potentially take it all the way up to a 500 sats. Right, so that's a weekly breakout, weekly bullish crossover. So it's gonna consolidate later on, okay? But it is a good hold. Let's go back to BTC. So if we go back to BTC, what we saying, what we said, right, long time ago, was like we got a box right here. We could potentially look for support at, and we also got an upside target right here somewhere. Depending on the what type of support we're gonna get right here, and this blue line right here to the right here going to be our next resistance line. If we can break out anywhere from this point, right here, if we can break out right here and break above the 21 EMA on the 6 hour, consolidate right here, we can basically take it to the moon. Okay, can take it to the moon right here. It could be anywhere around 44,000 to 50,000 depending on time. Okay, yeah, BTC under accumulation right now. I just don't like the this bearish MACD. Guys, make sure to join the public Telegram group. Link in the description. All right. I mean, Ether is a buy. If you're not leveraging, it is a buy. If you because we got the bulls got a target up to a 2000, right? 2000 to 2500. So anywhere around like 1300 to 1000 for Ether going to be accumulation, right? If it drops lower, that's going to be a life-changing opportunity for most people, because they're going to buy the dip, because next major target for Ether could be anywhere around like 8,000 to 10,000. So but let's see. All right, it all depends if you it all depends if you're hodling or if you are short-term trading. If you're a short-term trader, you always got time to look for a dip. But if you're a long-term trader, a 10% drop, you gotta buy it. I mean, not financial advice, right? Most of the time I don't do any fundamental analysis, so I just go by the chart 9 out of 10. So You got in at 33.90, 33.900, right, at 2x. Okay, great. I mean, 2x at 33.90, liquidation might be like 18,000 or something like that. So let's check the lower time frame and see what this sucker is doing. Check the 15 minutes. We did have a small bullish divergence right here. Right. So, but we cannot, once again, we cannot break our 100 EMA on the 15 minutes time frame right there. Okay. And right there. All right. So on the hourly basis, it is also resistance. Next resistance to the upside going to be 1 hour 100 EMA if it breaks the 21 EMA. Okay, right there, just about 35.7. If not, we could try to create a bullish divergence right here. Okay, could try to create a bullish divergence right there, a potential double bottom, right? So the sell-off might be a slow bleed. Sell volume is pretty low, price is decreasing. It might just get a support right here. So it might be a slow bleed with some correction like this. So be cautious with these small fake outs, right? Once again, all right, guys. Guys, hit the likes if you just joined. Hit the likes and subscribe to the channel. We got 123 watching. I'm pretty sure 90% of you already subscribed. So if you want to be at 10%, you don't want to miss our, you don't want to be missing our updates. Subscribe, hit the likes, join our public Telegram group, link in the description. If you're looking to join Send Premium for some daily analysis, price target, all of that good stuff, you can definitely upgrade to our premium group. What's up, Majid? Is Bitcoin going to go below 30K? I don't have a target below 30K so far, but we will see what type of support we're going to get at the 8 hour right here, just about 31, and 2-day 21 EMA, just about 30K, right? So that's what we are waiting for. We're waiting for confirmation of support right here at or around 30K. We're going to break it. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to go live later on, right? Depending on market volatility. So guys, hit the likes, subscribe, join the public Telegram group, because market could be very, very crazy over the next few hours. And we're going to go for another live stream. And you don't want to miss it. That's going to be the good stuff, okay? Don't miss that one, okay? Hit the likes. 143 in the house. He's 143. Hit the like, subscribe. He's calling for 143. He's calling for 32K. Do I like VeChain better than ADA? I mean, it all depends. ADA got its own blockchain, right? So, and but VeChain, I think VeChain is in ERC20, right? So it's two different things, right? For instance, you want to compare ADA with like Ethereum, Polkadot, right? You don't even want to compare ADA with Link, because Link is an ERC20. So I mean, that's my own personal view, right? So it doesn't mean, you know, Link is bad. I'm very bullish on Link, okay? I wish we had that $1 dump I was expecting, but we'd never dump to that level. But it's okay. Yo, excellent. Hey, what's up, Inti? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hit the likes and subscribe, right? And I'm gonna take a look at XLM for you. You do the same, Mr. Majid. We talked about E and J, right? Last time. Let's see what we talked about here. We talked about E and J. I think I was bullish on it, you know, based on the chart. Yeah, I was bullish on it right here, right? That's what we said. Look for these targets right there, right? 1350. Bullish divergence on the 2-day basis, right? Right there. Right? First target just about like 1358. And you could be looking for 16 to 17. You got a big resistance right here. Okay. You got a potential to go all the way up there to a 2000 area, right? So another 100% move versus BTC. What's up, JB? Make sure to hit the likes first and subscribe, and Mr. Miko asking for what I think about BTC in like 2022. We'll see. I mean, let's just try to break 50K first, right? And we're gonna talk about 2022. If we break 50K, we can basically get a better projection. Are you on long? Mr. Omnium is long in Ethereum. The Omnium is saying like he's going to take Ethereum to the moon. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Yeah. So let's go back to XLM. Somebody just asked for XLM target. So XLM, it is still bullish, right? It is just accumulating on a 2-day basis. It can, if it drops, you could be looking for 23 to 24, okay? But I got upside target up to 28. So if you're not leveraging, you can just suck it up and wait. Hey, what's up, Ronnie Vela? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the likes and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you have any coins you want me to take a look at, you can just put it in the chat room. If and only if you subscribe and basically like. Leon asking, when should I buy Bitcoin? Anytime, man, anytime you can buy Bitcoin. Buzz Borrow in the house. So guys, some of you guys, I don't recognize some of you guys' names, right? So make sure to, some of you guys I know already, you are subscribers, right? So I don't have to tell you to subscribe, right? So if you're basically asking for any question, make sure to subscribe first, because we got a 10,000 target for my channel subscription, right? So make sure to hit the likes to help the channel grow up to above 10,000. We're giving you guys, I'm giving you guys one of the best analysis for alt, BTC, all right, stock market, gold, and all of that good stuff. Okay, so make sure to hit the likes and subscribe to help the channel hit the target 10K before BTC hit 100K. All right. All right, guys, give me 1 second. All right. So let's go back to BTC really quickly, guys. Yeah, Tezos looks like it is ready to break out right here. Already hit our target, accumulating. So next upside target to look for just about right here. So we could get a big move from Tezos over the next like a few days, right? So look for right here and right here. Okay, we got support, triple support, just like a CRV before the pump, right? So another 30% move, 25 to 30% move coming up for Tezos. Okay, make sure to accumulate some. Not financial advice. Hey, what's up, Antonia? Let's go back to BTC, Bitcoin. Guys, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe if you haven't done so, so you can get my quick updates and all of that good stuff. So guys, we did not talk about IOTA, but I'm still very bullish on IOTA. It has a weird chart, right? But it looks like an ending diagonal right now. I mean, leading diagonal. Wedge pattern, right? So I mean, it does have a chance to retest the low right here, which is like 9,000, not 9,000 actually, 9,000, yeah, 9,000 range, 900 range. Okay, not 9,000 but 900, right? If we drop down here, we can still make this move. Okay, we don't have to get the explosive move right now, but the directional move is clear regardless of if we're going to be dropping right here before pumping, or if we're going to get the the big pump right away. So but be ready to accumulate more if we get the drop right here, support, right? 900 sats. If you could take it all the way up to 2,000, or take it from right now all the way up to 2,000 sats. What's up, James? Guess thanks a lot. You liked and subscribed. You're new to my channel. I mean, it all depends. If you're new to crypto, it all depends what you're looking for. If you're new to crypto, just try to stay in the top coins, right? Top 50 maybe, right? Until you basically do your research, right? And you can look for like a top, outside top 100. Or maybe just hodl Bitcoin till you basically be familiar with the market. Otherwise you might be panicking when market dumps. Sometimes market dumps like 10, 15, 30, 40%. If you don't know what's going on, you might be panic selling. But if you just stay in BTC while you're doing your research, after you can buy these coins versus BTC, because you're already holding BTC. Like right now, let's say you want to buy ADA, which is like 1,300 sats, right? But you're scared to buy it because it has a potential to drop, almost like 40%, 30%. You're going to be panicking, right? You just hodl some BTC. Once you see the dump, you can start accumulating, right? And then you can take it to the upside. It doesn't have to drop, but the structure is there, okay? You want high risk, so you want to get wrecked faster, okay? I mean, if you want to get wrecked faster, you gotta look for outside the top 150, 50 million market cap, like one chain and TRB, stuff like that. CRV is already 100 million. I was talking about CRV when CRV was like 30 million, right? And maybe Carver, stuff like that, low cap coins. Ocean Protocol, I'm very bullish on Ocean Protocol also. Ocean BTC actually, right? Yeah, Ocean, very bullish. Right now, we talk about it when it was like 1350, right? Right there. Okay. Join my public Telegram group, link in the description, right? And then you can basically look for, let me show you really quickly. So join the public Telegram group, right? Once you join the public Telegram group, just click on the pin message right here, right? Pin messages right there, and you can basically right here, okay, top right corner, and you can get all the information you need to join the public the Discord channel. All right, and you can also get some of my short-term targets, like BAL, right? Balancer, BTC, and Balancer is pumping nicely versus BTC. All right, so you could get like SXP target. You could also get the target cover target, 25% target. And also follow me on TradingView, because I do live on TradingView. Last week I showed you guys on the knife all of these pumps. We did talk about it on TradingView. Okay. So if you join our public Telegram group, you can get access to these targets. And XRP pump last week, we did call when XRP was 25 cents. We said, guys, we're gonna pump to 37, right? So these targets. So you gotta join the public Telegram group at least, so you can basically get access to my public and premium group, right? Access trading setups. Hey, what's up, Basti? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Ocean is bullish. Yeah, Ocean is bullish. So let's see. I think we gotta. Let's go to my Discord. So you take a look at our Discord channel, right? We already got our Ocean protocol target, and it is already pumping. We got target all the way up to like 2,000. Okay, that's the type of setup you get with, and we did already, okay, been bearish on Ocean long time ago. Okay, Ocean BTC. Show you when we were bearish on Ocean. Okay, that was like long time ago. We call this Ocean drop. That was like back in like early November. Okay, we said, guys, Ocean next downside target 2000.618, blah blah blah. We could start to accumulate all the way down to basically even 1,000. Okay, but now we bullish on it again. So that's another big target. Also CELR, very bullish. So keep an eye on it for a big move over the next like a few weeks. Okay, CELR. So let's go back to the chat room. CT 1777 in the house. So where do I think Ethereum will retrace down to? Yeah, Ocean is bullish. Okay, it is histogram price MACD above histogram. Accumulation was like from started like November through January. So the big move is not even here yet. So CT 1777, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe, since you're asking for Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum is consolidating. Okay, but don't be surprised, right, to see it drop all the way down to 1,000. Okay, so just a quick tip. But right now it is still a hold. I don't have any short term, like a short entry for Ethereum. Just give it some time to retest, probably like 1,400, right? Could potentially retest it, but over the next like a few weeks, this move going to be very bullish for Ethereum. We did talk about it when Ethereum was right here. We said we're going to be looking for this move, so it could be on the way, but not sure if we're going to get it, right? But if we do get it, that's going to be a good buy right here. Okay, so, and the reason why I'm saying it, because I said it back then when Ethereum was where, right up to 600, right? And we waited again. We didn't short it. We just waited back down to like 480 right here to 500 rand, and we took it back up to 600, right? Got out and waited right here and take it to the upside again. Okay, so that could be the next potential trade setup for Ethereum. So you got plenty of chance to wait for Ethereum to pull back down to 0.786. Okay, right here, which is just about 1,000, give or take. Okay, so Ethereum is the real deal right now. Hit the likes, guys. So if you're just new to our content, so EGLD, do I think EGLD can go to 4K by 2030? I mean, that's a long projection, man. 2030. I don't know, but EGLD short-term trader, you must be new to our content, but we've been bullish on EGLD right here, $7. Okay, that's when we call the EGLD breakout, right? Called the breakout right here also. Okay, $5. Okay, it might not be a straight shot. Once again, if the move the bullish inverse head and shoulder pattern fails, it could retrace down to like $30, okay, $29, $30 before the big move. Hey, what's up, Kairos in the house, man? Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. I think you're looking for Kai. I know exactly what you're looking for, Kairos. I know exactly the coin you're looking for to 100x. Yep. So what we said last time is like, it is a bullish pattern, right? Let me just remind you what we talked about, right? So I told you to do what? To just, suck it up, right? Because it is bullish, and wouldn't be panicking if sucker decide to even retest right here. That's going to be a great opportunity to basically what? Re-enter, add to position. But as of now, and I think I showed you the comparison between Kai and Wave, right? So what you got right here is like, you got this move, bang, 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 bang. Okay, this sucker is very bullish, man, very bullish. The good news also is like MACD above histogram, so it is a hold. Whenever you get your MACD above your histogram, don't mess with it. Buy the dip, okay? Buy the dip. Especially that's the first crossover right here. Most people don't talk about this good stuff. You only get it from Sun Crypto. Okay, you only get this good stuff from Sun Crypto. No one knows this type of tricks. Okay. Let's see. Huddle X, Huddle Hex. Are you're huddling Hex? I don't know anything about Hex. Hey, what's up, LH in the house? I'm pretty sure you already hit the likes and subscribe. Is Golem still GNT? Let's check GNT. GNT, I think they got delisted from Binance. I used to hold it back in 2017, but I got rid of it. So let's see, Bitfinex, BitPay, Bitfinex. It is still a hold. I mean, if you bought the dip versus BTC right here, since like it is not on Binance anymore, you might be cautious, right? And I'm not telling you what to do, but potentially replace it with something else, right? But it is still a hold. You you got a potential to take it like to you know, 500 sats, right? For sure. You're welcome, Kairos. So guys, make sure to hit the likes, right? And do one more thing. Most of you guys in some other public Telegram groups and all of that good stuff, make sure to share some crypto content, right? So we can take our channel up to 10K. Okay, once we hit our 10K target, most likely our next target for BTC going to be 100K. All right, so now let's get to 10K before BTC hit 100K. Okay. So I'm an alt and BTC is the BTC. Okay, so my channel is alt to BTC. So I'm already above the 21 EMA on the 2-day basis, my channel, right? Just like this alt. So it is time to basically, you know, for the channel to break out up to resistance of 10K. All right. Hey, what's up? Ayub in the house. Ayub is calling for a pump, man. Let's go back to BTC because Ayub is calling for a pump. Ayud, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe. That's my first time seeing your name in the chart. If you don't pump, let's see if BTC is pumping. Nope. Consolidating. BCH. BCH, I'm still bullish on BCH. So I'm gonna be very bullish on BCH on the next alt pump. Hey guys, any one of you watching BLZ, I gave you guys BLZ last week before the breakout right here, just about like 200 sats, right? Right now it is almost like 100 sats, right? So it is already like 100% move, okay? So, and I gave you BLZ also right here, okay? A 50% move. So I'm very familiar with BLZ and could potentially pump all the way up to 700. So BLZ a good hold. So if you're holding it, let's check it on a 2-day basis. I think we do have a bullish divergence. Whoa, look at it, man, on a 2-day basis. Bang. Okay, and MACD price action still below MACD, so everything is just accumulative right now. The big move is not even here yet. You know when you're gonna get the big move? You're gonna get the big move right here. Once, you know, we pump above the histogram, the first dump. Once we get the you know, once we pump above the histogram, that's going to be you know, the biggest opportunity for the next big move. Okay, but right now just accumulative, slowly, and then we're gonna take it to the upside. So very bullish on BLZ over the next few months. Yo, please, you want Bitcoin? No blue chip? I mean, Bitcoin is a blue chip. Give me that Bitcoin, please. Mixel. Mixel in the house. He said, suck it up and give him all your BTCs. Yeah, right. Let's go back to BTC really quickly, guys. So we on the let's see. Excuse me. Let's take a look at on the daily. Bitcoin dominance breaking daily 100 EMA. Check it on the 8-hour. 8-hour, we did have a head and shoulder pattern formation right here, right? A 1-to-1 extension to the downside, almost at 1-to-1 exactly. If we do a swing low to swing high, we're at, oh guys, hey, Bitcoin dominance at 0.618, man. So sucker could start to be very volatile. It's at 0.618, pull back from the previous swing. right here. That's a 5-way structure to the upside. We got this 3-way move. Let's see if we're gonna get another swing to the upside. That could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we could get this. We could also get this move to the downside all the way down to like 61. Swing low, swing high. That's going to be also 0.618. 50% pullback right there, 0.618 pullback right there. But no sort of like a bullish uptrend, no MACD crossing, no MACD bullish crossover, so just have to wait, okay? But keep an eye on basically 0.618 right there for a potential Bitcoin, breakout. I don't know anything about Rose, man. Rose BTC. Yeah, Rose BTC is a hold. Beautiful bull flag. So you could get the pump back up to 200 sats. That's a nice bull flag right here. So you got a bull flag. Look for this move to retest the top. If it gets rejected, you buy the bottom again and look for the next move. So you can double play it if you want. Okay, still you got this wedge pattern right here, right? So it's a clean setup. Okay, you got your wedge pattern, and after that you got your breakout right here. Now you got your bull flag right there, right? All you need to look for is a breakout to the top again to retest your resistance right here. Not sure if bull's gonna be strong enough to break it. But looking at alt right now, they're all breaking resistance. But for whatever reason, right, you get rejected. Look for another retest right here. And once you get your retest, you look for a potential pump right there. Okay, that way you're gonna get your flat correction right here. Okay, beautiful setup. I'm gonna leave it like this, see how it plays out. Wedge pattern, breakout, correction, could be a complex, breakout. Bang, that's it. BNB BTC, it is gonna break out, but you just have to suck it up and wait. I'm bullish on it myself, right? So I'm bullish on it. Wedge pattern, right? Breakout right here, correction, look for another pump right here. Okay, rejection potentially, you just wait, be patient, right? Just in case we do not get the straight moonshot, you retest it, you buy the dip. Okay, that's going to be first entry right here. Right, if sucker basically want to check out the weak hands, it can be overextended and retest 50% to 0.618, and we can go to the moon. Okay, but the directional move once again, it is up, regardless of how choppy and complex the correction going to be. The directional move is up. You see what I'm saying? Because most people don't understand, like sometimes market can be very choppy, but they don't pay attention to the directional move. Okay, just like this coin we just talked about, right, not too long ago, Rose. Okay, just like Rose. Fatih in the house. Ether going to moon. And Fatih, make sure to hit the likes. JB, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe. So guys, we got 100 people watching, right? I'm pretty sure 90% of you guys already hit the likes, right, and subscribe, right? However, if you're new, the other 10%, okay, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe so we can get our channel to 10,000 subscribers. All right, that's my resistance, 10,000 subscribers. That's my next resistance. Okay, take profits area. You're welcome, Blow Some Ming. I'm pretty sure Blow Some, you already banged the likes and the subscription. Mara. You're a good man, not good Mara. Mara is not a crypto, man. Marathon, I think we talked about it before, right? Let's double check. So we talked about it before, right? So beautiful wedge pattern right here broke the just like crypto, okay? Just like crypto, wedge pattern. The move I just showed you on Binance is right here. That's the move I just showed you, right? Bang, okay? So I was saying that you could still get this move, retest right here before moving to the upside. It didn't even retest it, so you just suck it up and hold it, right? But your support area to look for, you know, over the next like a few months, if we dip right here, that's going to be a good buy, because you miss a piece. Remember, you miss a piece. The piece was like this, okay? So it seems like it pumped, any dump right here going to still be a buy, okay? So still nice move, okay? I think that's I can't remember last time we talked about Mara, right? That was like early December, I think. So that's the same bullish pattern we're making on alt, same setup. And this is not even a crypto, right? That's not even crypto. But you take a look at the wedge pattern, you break out, you make a flat correction right here, right? Bang, okay? And this one is like a 2 years accumulation. Alt are doing it like on a 2 month, okay? Let's take a look at H bar so I can show you what I'm telling you, right? Right here, same setup. Same setup, okay? Right, same setup. Take a look at balancer, same setup. Right, I just showed you balancer. I gave you balancer target like last week, okay? Same setup right here. Let's remove this, right? Same setup, just like Mara. Mara is a good hold, just like balancer. So guys, all right, hey guys, some of you guys just join in, right? So we got a short-term target for our likes, just like I'm giving you targets for your coins. We need 200 likes, okay? 200 likes. So if you just join in and you haven't hit the likes yet, right? Make sure to hit it so we can get to 200. Hit our target also. I'm hitting your targets. I'm giving you targets, guys. I'm analyzing your charts for free. And the only thing you have to do, just take your terms and hit the likes. That's all. Yes, we gotta get it to 200. So we know our channel is not a big channel. So if you get 200 likes, that's great. Okay. So we got 144 watching. So we just got 10 people just showed up. Hit the likes before you ask any questions, okay? Hit the likes. Oh, it's mining for Bitcoin? Oh, okay. So that's why it behaves like a like an alt. like an alt. Guys, please hit the likes, hit the likes, hit the likes. And anti-stonks, make sure to hit the likes. I'm gonna take a look at Litecoin Ether for you. So anti-stonk, Ether likes. Litecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ether. We got Litecoin, Ether. I think Binance, Litecoin, Ether, Binance. So Litecoin, Ether is capitulating, so it's not time to be messing with it. Yes, you could buy more Litecoin right now, right? Just to accumulate, because you know it just broke support strongly. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see a breakout, but all I see a potential buy and hurdle for the next accumulation. Yeah, we just hit 1.27 right here. So that's the first buy, which is 0.108 ether. Litecoin is 0.11, so it's a buy. Next level to look for is like 0.1 and down to 0.9. Okay, right here. And after that, you could sell back at 0.11 because it's gonna drop back down. Okay, it's gonna give you some sort of divergence, you know, crossovers and all of that good stuff. So you got plenty of time to accumulate Litecoin, Ether, right? Ether. Oh, you did. Okay, great. All right, it's almost 6 p.m. my time, guys. So we got guys, our channel got 313, not 313, 3.13 subscribers. Our target is 10K, right? So we gotta get it to 10K before the end of the first quarter. So you guys are responsible, all right, for that. So you gotta make sure to hit the like so you can get this good analysis, all right? Hit the likes and subscribe, right, guys? You're a big fan of the channel. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you guys. All right. We got a premium group. Okay. If you want like to check out our premium group, you can definitely do so. All right. All right, guys. I'm just gonna now call it a day since you guys don't want to give me a 200 likes. So give me guys 200 likes, man. I'm gonna give you a more analysis. Let's go ahead and take a look at band. So band BTC, guys, it has pumped a lot on the dollar value, but I'm still bullish on the BTC value. Still accumulating right here. So any dips got to get bought up right here up to you know, 40,000 right here. Right now we are 26,000, so we got a nice potential 30% move. Okay, 25 to 30%, right? If we dip down anywhere right here, so we got a potential up to 40 actually. Okay, so keep an eye on a band. Everything looks clean. Low sell volume right here. Price action above the 21 EMA. MACD cross bullish. Nothing you can say. Kind of like a V-chain. If you go ahead and take a look at V-chain structure, right? It is the same. We've been bullish on V-chain over the last few weeks. Okay, same structure right here. That's the premium target too, right? Bang. So V-chain is going to the moon. I've been talking about V-chain over the last few weeks, guys. So if you manage to buy V-chain, you know, somewhere around like 50 sats, 60 sats, congrats, because we're gonna take it to the moon, right? We're gonna take it to the moon because we got target all the way up to 300, 400 sats, right? So that's a 3x move we're looking for V-chain, not a 10% move. Hey, what's up, Space Lab in the house? I know YouTube is shadow banning me. I don't know why. We should be like 40, 50,000 subscribers right now based on the type of analysis I'm giving you guys. You guys know exactly, you know, my targets are spot on, especially on alt. Okay, I'm giving you guys 300% target, 400% target, right? So VChain, when we started I gotta do something with YouTube, man. I gotta talk to them, man. I gotta talk to those suckers, man. Tell them, man, don't shadow ban my channel, man. Don't do that, YouTube. So Mr. Radar 074, hit the like, subscribe. Let's take a look at RSR. So RSR is still bullish. I think we talked about it last time. We're looking for the breakout right here. So did create a descending triangle, but descending triangle bottom formation, it is not that bearish. Okay, it's not something bearish. We got the flat correction right here, did not break the low. That's it. That's reversal. That's a hold, man. Hold this sucker. Not financial advice, right? So okay, I just did a chart for I just checked the chart for you. And POND, I never checked POND before. Doesn't have enough history. Let's check it on maybe 30 minutes, right? It's nothing I can say. Just give it like time to. I think we talked about it before, right? No, that's algo, not POND. It went through accumulation right here. Let's check it. 8 hours, 6 hours. I mean, it is pretty strong. Price action above 21. 6 hour, MACD bullish. 21 EMA above the 100 EMA bullish. Still making some higher lows right here, bullish. Any drop right here gonna create another higher low, bullish. What you gotta think of next is bang. Okay. What's up, Precious Brand in the house? Oh, not Precious Brand, Precious Bands. Ether, she wanna take a look at Ether. So Precious Brand wanna take a look at Ether. Let's make sure you hit the likes, man. Make sure you hit the likes, Miss Precious. And subscribe also, all right? So Miss Precious is asking about this precious metal, not precious metal, but precious blockchain right here, Ether. So Ether, just wait. We could retest the top, okay? But the big target, right? It is going to be a retest of 1,000, okay? If we don't break a 1,400, 1,500 range, right? So any dips, I wouldn't panic. Once again, I'm just I just want to make sure you guys ready for the next big dump, right? Just in case market dumps and you're gonna be panicking. But if like you see it around like 900, 950, 1050 area, it is gonna be a buy, right? But short term, it is just consolidating. I mean, if you invested back in 2018 and 2019 and you did not sell, you're okay. You're okay. You don't worry too much. Oh, you. Hey, what's up, MF? I mean, I don't think we check H bar in our premium group, H bar USD. I think we were bullish on H bar BTC because I didn't like the chart. H bar USD was not easy to H bar the dump right here, 4 cents, that was the bottom versus BTC right here. Okay, so we talked about it on the 13th, right? I think that's when you bought afterward, right? Somewhere around here, because it is one of our top coins to hold, right, in our premium group. So versus BTC on the 13th, we started talking about it like, you know, early January. I mean, I mean, it all depends like what you want to do. I can't tell you, but H bar is still pretty juicy. If you want to keep it in BTC, you can keep it in BTC. It depends what you're doing, what pair you're looking at, right? For instance, H bar BTC is very aggressive right now. Right, we talked about it when H bar was right here, right here, right? So I mean, actually right here, the first breakout retest, and you can see that we got target up to like 300 sats. So it is still a good hold. It's going to retrace down, but it is still going to be a hold. So BAT is also a good hold, right? For some of you guys who missed H bar, BAT is gonna be a good hold. It's gonna blast off. Okay, man, good. This sucker is so bullish. Like, let's take a look at it on the 8 hour. It's kind of like it's MACD already above the histogram, right? We already broke above the 21 EMA. Already did our consolidation right here, right here. So consolidated right here again. These are consolidation, right? Triple bottom, right? Got the small flat correction right here. So this sucker, I mean, this sucker is so bullish, man. I don't know. It is very bullish, man. It is very bullish. Hey, what's up, Spencer? I mean, BTC is not doing nothing, man. Let's just have fun with the alt, because BTC is just consolidating, right? So we know what we're looking for BTC, because if BTC drops 10%, most of these alt, they're gonna pump like, 100%. Okay, like BAT. If BTC drops 10%, BAT gonna pump like probably 40 to 50%, right? So you gotta understand why we need BTC to dump. So once BTC dump, alt pump, you buy BTC again versus alt, right? I mean, get back to BTC. What's up, MF? MF, you got all the bags, man. We already talked about ENG. ENJ, sorry. On Finex. Yeah, on Finex, yeah, it looks really good, man. Man, I don't have any, but it does look great. And this sucker has not even started pumping, really. It is still accumulating. So would be taking profits, okay? And once you get the histogram above the MACD above the histogram after that big dump, we're gonna get a big dump. Okay, so very soon. Okay, within the next few weeks. Okay, be ready for that, right? For all of them, they're gonna dump. Okay, be ready for that move. That's just going to be a reset for the next big move, right? So, does anyone ever trade a Tron? Yeah, Tron is bullish actually. Let's see. Tron is bullish, so it is just accumulating. So you just gotta be patient, right? Just gotta be patient with it because we do not have a bullish crossover. I mean, it is a bullish crossover, but not a bullish MACD divergence, right? But it is a hold. So the first pump might be take profit, wait for the retest. So pump to, you know, probably up to a resistance like low 100s, right? Retest of the 80s, 70s, or even down to like 72, right? Low 72s, and you could take it to the upside. But it is still a good hold. Not financial advice, right? So we could look for the 200 sats for Tron over the next few weeks. All right, guys, it's been like 3 hours of live streaming. I could not get my 200 likes. That's really bad, right? So that's really bad. You guys did not give me 200 likes for 3 hours of live stream, and we got 5,000 playbacks. Come on, guys, gotta get the job done too, right? On your end. I don't know. It's just a setup. I mean, it's not based on fundamentals, right? I'm just saying like we're gonna get a pullback, a dump. Like it's just a pullback. It's nothing. Kind of like what we got last week, right? If you take a look at H bar. So if you watch our, you in our premium group, right? So last week, when market was dumping, what we said buy the dip because they're gonna pump 50 to 100%, right? So if you take a look at H bar, the dip we got last week was only on a 2-day basis right here. That was on the knife, right? Everything dumped on the knife 30-40%. But if you don't know what's going on, it dumped like 25% versus BTC, right? And we said it is bullish right now. It is 180% up versus BTC, right? So we're gonna get another 25-30% dump versus BTC. Right, if BTC dumps on top of that 10%, that's going to be 35% dump on the USD value. It's nothing wrong. It's just going. I'm saying it is like the reason why I'm saying it is like the MACD, it is still below the histogram, right? Once we get to the get above the histogram, we're gonna get a pullback on the MACD, okay? And that's the next, that's going to be the second big pump you could be anticipating after that, right? Just like what we got right here. We pump right here, we get the sharp return, which was a big dump, right? If you take a look at it right here, we dump what, 68%, right? So if you don't know what's going on, you're gonna be panicking, but look at it, bang. So we're gonna get something similar on a 2-day basis. So don't trade these alt on the hourly, because if you trade them on the hourly, they pump and dump 10-15% every day, right? So VChain will dump too. I mean, it's just going. I think I used the wrong word. Okay, it is not going to be a dump, but a pullback. So let's not say dump. They're gonna pull back, okay? So if you miss the boat, you're gonna buy the dip, okay? I think dump gonna scare everybody. Yeah, a pullback, not a dump. I just like to use dump. I don't know why, but just a pullback. Okay. Let me show you what I'm telling you. So most people probably, some of you guys not in my premium group, right? So on our announcement on the knife, okay, the knife right here. So right here, that's what I said, right? On the 10th, right here, I say alt, you know, they just correcting. Most of them are creating a bullish flat correction. That was when things were dumping, right? And I say current support for most alt is what? For most of the alt, 6 hour 21 EMA and 6 hour 100 EMA. And I say we'll wait and you know, to see for support and blah 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 for the next few days and hour, and give them information regarding Ether BTC and why Ether BTC was very bullish and all of that good stuff. So that's the type of analysis you get in my premium group, right? And right here, okay, on the 10th, the very next day, right, when everything was red, I gave him an announcement. I say alt will recover. Check my previous announcement update. Okay, they can pump forever. It is just time, you know, to buy the dip, and you know, it is only January 11th, 2020. All these prices will look like nothing by December 2021, right? I don't want to see people asking for another dip when we pump 50 to 100%, right? Again, as these dips comes, like they come every 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, you see what I'm saying? So from December 23rd to January 9th, all these alt, they pump like 85 to 100%. So pullback was totally normal, right? So buy your favorite alt, okay? If you're expecting a 50 to 100x return, you got to be able to digest a 15 to 30% retracement. It is just normal, nothing wrong with that, okay? So we could see a rebound by midweek. That was when? On the 11th. On the 13th, everything was, you know, that was like Sunday, okay? And on the 13th, right, everything started to pump, okay? And I was like, these suckers gonna pull back strongly. So watch our recent update. That was like we had a, you know, public update on the 11th about BTC and all of that good stuff. All right. So you got to be ready for these pullbacks. So if you're not mentally ready for these pullbacks, when they come, you're gonna, you know, create the YouTubers gonna, you know, we're gonna drive you crazy, guys, right? Because once BTC dumps 10%, we're all gonna be like, oh, dump, 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 right? And you're gonna be, guys, gonna be panicking. Okay, it is just a way to get the views, the likes, and all of that good stuff, right? But me, I'm telling you honestly, right? They're gonna retrace down. Okay, whether you like it or not, they're gonna pull back. Okay, whether I like it or not, they will. So I just have to suck it up and be mentally ready. All right. Yeah, we got 183 likes. I see 182. I don't know which sucker basically removed his likes. Hey, what's up, Craig in the house? Oh, okay. Thanks a lot, Craig. Yeah, H bar is very, very bullish, man. And I think like we could break this. I don't know if that's all-time high or not, but we could break above like 1,000 sats. Okay, that's another 5x return. Okay, it's already 2x. It's already 2x like from like January 1st when we talk about it, right? So BTC is pumping. Let's see. BTC is not pumping, man. It's just correcting. Let's see what we need. Let's see what we need to do to get a pump. So we got bullish MACD. Yeah, we look. I was about to go. I was about to call it a day, but sucker looks like it wants to go to the 1 hour 100 EMA right there, right here. So we talk about it. That's going to be resistance level for Bitcoin up to basically 35.7. 35.7, yeah, 35. In one of my updates, I was talking about like, 35.7, but I meant to say in that video, I don't know if you guys noticed it, I meant to say 37.5, but this time it is 35.7 resistance. Oh, you like my stream twice? Thanks. Daily close, let's see what we need on the daily close. I mean, the thing is, there is no real volume right now on Bitstamp. Let's check it on Binance. No real volume. The volume got sandwiched right there with some high selling pressure. So I mean, I'm bullish, right? I just don't know, okay, at what price level we're gonna get the rebound, really. But I'm bullish. Okay, we're still above the daily 21, which is a good sign, right? I'm really bullish on Bitcoin, right? You guys know most bulls are pretty much bearish right now, right? Most bulls are pretty bearish because they're looking for lower numbers. But me, I'm bullish. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin, right? And remember guys, the difference between doing a chart analysis and doing a chart analysis and being a YouTube content creator is different, okay? If you're a YouTube content creator, if Bits is dropping, you're just gonna say, oh, we're dropping, we're gonna be looking for these numbers, you see? But if you're a trader, okay, if Bitcoin is dropping, you might not be bearish. You see what I'm saying? So when Bitcoin was dropping right here, I told you in my, during our live stream right here by the dip, most content creators, okay, were looking for a dip down to where 20K, I mean 16K, 14K. We never called for those numbers, never. Okay, we called for the retest of 19.3 to 19.7, and after we called for the retest of 17K right here. Okay, right. So, and we said we're gonna be pumping where to 24,000. At 24,000, we said we're gonna correct down here, retest 21.5. Alright, once we hit 21.5, we're gonna need to break what? 23,950. And once we break 23,950, that's going to be a moonshot all the way up to 30K. Right there. We talk about it. I give you all the detailed analysis, right? Step by step. I was never bearish, okay? On BTC, right? After we pump above this range, especially at 20K, I was never bearish. I was bearish at 10K. You can check my channel. I was a bear right here, and I got a plenty of right to be a bear at resistance. Okay, you break above resistance, you gotta know what's going on afterward, right? But some people, they were like calling for most analysts been calling for a moonshot. Yes, you were calling for a moonshot at resistance, which is not safe. But you were correct, right? However, after we broke resistance, you just don't know where we're going, okay? You just get lost. But me, I was not lost after we broke resistance. I was still in the game, okay? We were still like basically, knowing what's going on. That's the difference between a content creator and a trader, all right? So right here, okay? Yeah, I mean, right now, like, I'm telling you, like, I see a lot of people, I watch some of them, not all the time, but when you listen to what they're saying, they don't want to say they're bearish, right? But they're going to call for like, oh, we're going to retest these lower numbers and blah, blah. And the very next day, sucker going to reverse. They're going to be like, oh, as we predicted. But they did not predict it. They kind of like, fla, right? Give you both stories. And they know one of them going to play out, right? right here. Yeah, one thing you could say about me is like I was bearish right here. Okay, you could say yes, I was bearish right there. Okay, but early October, I gave my premium group, I told them, you know, don't pay attention to my public, sometime to my public, you know, updates. I'm gonna give you like the real updates, right? And right here, October, right here actually, right? September, on a 2-day basis, right? On October 6th, I give a long private update right here and explain to them why, you know, this sucker is going to be very bullish as long as, okay, price action going to be above the 21 EMA on a 2-day basis, and MACD going to stay bullish right here. Okay, so on a 2-day basis, you can see right here we got the 2-day basis cross bearish, but what I said was like it is still bullish because MACD crossed bearish, but price action still above the 21 EMA, so it is still bullish. Okay, so you can go back and watch any of my updates right here, short-term updates, when BTC was at you know 20k, like let's say November 20th. Okay, between November 20th and December 14th, you can go watch any of my videos. I was very bullish, okay, calling for 30k, okay, and also 44k, while the rest of the crypto calling for 14k and all of that good stuff, guys. You get one of the best analysis within crypto. I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you. But now sucker pump, break above resistance low. Now let's look for this 35.7, 35.8, which is depending on your exchange. Okay, it could be you know, depending which exchange you're using. It is still a correction. I mean, hey, what's up, Moloku Austin? Thanks a lot for joining in, Moloku. You just hit the likes, great. Let me know which coin you're looking for to 100x. I can take a look at it for you since like you just hit the likes. But make sure to subscribe, Miss or Mr. Austin. So guys, we got 60 watching right now. You know our target for the channel is 10k subscribers. So let's get the channel to 10k subscribers before end of the first quarter, all right? You guys got plenty of time to get the job done. All you have to do is just hit the likes, okay? And share the content into, you know, your other public Telegram group and all of that good stuff, right? Make some noise. Yeah, it is breaking out. It is breaking out. Guys, we might go for another live stream tonight. Later on, right? Maybe in 5-6 hours. Hey, what's up, Gupta? Make sure to hit the likes and subscribe, Gupta. Hey, what's up, Shifis? One. You new to the stock market? What should you buy? This is crypto. What are you talking about, Shifts? You're at the wrong place. I'm just joking, okay? Let's take a look at KuCoin share. I'm bullish on KuCoin share, so yeah, KuCoin share is still consolidating right here at resistance. So that's a bullish setup right here. We could get a breakout, all right? Let's get this. So Shift, make sure to hit the likes and subscribe. Do both at the same time. So we got a potential breakout setup for KuCoin share right there. So on the lower degree, okay? On the high time frame, it is, you know, it is still bullish. It is still a hold. You got plenty of time to accumulate right now. Any dips right now got to get bought up before you get your MACD above this range. If you get your MACD right here, you might not get the chance to basically that's Ava BTC in our premium group, right? So you can see a KuCoin share right here, right? That's Kyber. So we're looking for this move to the upside right here. I think the one we looked at was might be Kyber network, right? But KuCoin share, going back to KuCoin share right there, okay? Gonna be looking for this move back to 12,000. That's another 4x move pump. If it doesn't do it right now, okay, it might consolidate and drop lower also. You just have to suck it up and basically reaccumulate before the next big move, right? So, but yes, that's cryptocurrency. Oh man, we got another newbie right here asking if crypto is cryptocurrency. I'm just joking with you, Chef. Yo, let's see. I'm bullish on it long term. It likes to respect these bullish divergences, like the one we got right here, big pump. We got another one right here, big pump. We got a small one right here, but you know that was on the lower degree, big pump, and a big one right here. We could definitely get the big pump right here. Guys, make sure to hit the likes. My channel is on a 2-day bullish divergence. It's about to break out. So you know the target for the channel is 10,000 subscribers. So if you're just new to the channel, make sure to hit the likes, right? We're already crossing bullish on the MACD. 10,000 subscribers, next target, right? So make sure, you know, we hit our target also. All right, guys. I'm giving you guys one of the best analysis. 35.6 sucker is pumping. So let's see. I was on a short scalp right here, long 35.350 resistance, broke it right here. 35.4, 35 was the 1 hour 15, so we broke the 1 hour 15. That's the resistance I was looking for. Take profit right there. So I took profit right there. So, but we were doing live stream during this time right here, so it broke out. It's gonna retest at least right here, so keep that in mind. 50% of that weight. Let's check the BTC down. Maybe the BTC down is consolidating. Yeah, BTC down is down. Now let's see if we can trust this BTC down. So support for BTC down going to be 24. So it means that BTC can still pump a bit, right? However, if BTC down hits 24 cents, it could probably find a temporary support. And that means BTC has to reverse after that, right? To find support also. Can we look at USDT? You want to check USDT? Okay, let's check USDT. So USDT, I don't know what to tell you about USDT, but if you're holding USDT, shift. I don't know what to tell you about USDT. I can do any analysis, right? It's like you buy at $1 and you sell at $1. That's the only thing I can tell you. But this sucker does have some 10% pump. So I can tell you anything about USDT. Yeah, it is a stable coin. It's supposed to be at $1, right? So if you bought it, you just hodl it, right? And you look for something else to buy with it. Okay, it's kind of like you're holding $1, right? $1 bill. You buy your candy, whatever you want. Okay, same thing. Hold a USD tether. You buy, you know, ADA, XLM, stuff like that. That's what it's used for. Or even Bitcoin, right? But it is not a chart where you do some analysis, because these spikes, they're just noise and stuff like that, right? But it's not supposed to do this type of thing. Okay, it's just supposed to stay constant, just like that. $1, like that. Plus minus, you know, 0.5% probably. Let's go back to Ether. Guys, let's get, if you just join the I mean, yes, the volume is right here. I mean, USDT volume been going up, so it's going up and up and up and up and up. Okay, and once we start seeing it like go down, 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 and then we're gonna wait for the next bull run. Oh, thanks a lot, Mr. Carter Lewis. You liked and subscribed. That's great, man. I really appreciate it, guys. We got nearly 6,000 playbacks and we got like 200 likes. That's great. If we keep it up like this, guys, we could even get our 10,000 subscribers before the first quarter. All right, that's not a lot, man. You got a lot of moon channels above like 150, and I'm giving you guys a great content, okay, just like those channels. So let's go back to Ether. I think YouTube is shadow banning me, but it is okay, YouTube. Ether breaking out 1363. As we said, right? Ether got a resistance at right here, okay? Right here, okay? Look for this resistance right there. It's gonna come back down. Probably retest it and then retest right there. Because if like we get a rejection right here, it is still going to be bullish. Okay, it is still going to be bullish. Let's do this. If we get this rejection right here, right, it is going to be bullish, even if like we drop right here. You see what I'm saying? You're going to get this correction, and you're potentially going to get this fake out, and this fake out could potentially create a W. So this time I don't know exactly if Ethereum bull is going to be going to have the capability of breaking it. If not, if they get rejected, we just buy right here. I'm comfortable in this range. Okay, if not, we could let's see if we're gonna get to 1423. Remember last time we went live stream, what we said was like Ethereum, if on the 6 hour we close above 1314, it is gonna moon, right? Take a look at the 6 hour right here, and that was a live stream. We dropped back down to the 6 hour 21 on email. So what we said was okay, most of you guys wanted to long it right here. Okay, what we said was like if we close above right here on a 6 hour basis, right, 1314, right, that time we were going live on this candle. I was like, don't long it, don't long this candle. It's gonna retest what 50% of the candle after, which is right here, right? But if you did not basically pay attention to our live stream analysis, you're gonna be long in this circle, long it, bang. What it did, retest 50% of it, 50% of it. Okay, so it was a breakout candle, so most of the time they're gonna come back and retest it. So hopefully you guys did not buy the top right here, right? And during that time, the BTC down was giving us a bullish crossover on the hourly basis. Take a look at the BTC down right here. Right here, the BTC down was giving us a bullish crossover while Ethereum was going up right here. So I was like, guys, we got the divergence right here, so let's just be ready. So that's why I did not long Ether, because I did not trust this BTC down. Common sense. Yeah, I think YouTube is shadow banning me, so that's why. But hey, everything in life takes time, right? Now you can see like DaVinci channel is like all the way up there, and this guy was telling us to buy BTC at $1, but no one was listening, right? So it is just a matter of time, right? It is just a matter of time. But when this guy was telling people to buy BTC at $1, no one was listening, right? But it almost took like nearly over 7 years for people to realize they were supposed to buy it at $1, right? Same thing. So sometimes you just have to be patient. Yeah, we just hit 199. All right, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. I'm tired. It's been like 3 hours and 38 minutes, right? I think that's the record for the record for my channel. I think it's like 6 hour live stream, not 4 hours. I think we did 3 hours live stream before. 6 hours live stream. That was 2019. Actually, I remember exactly. That was when BTC pumped to 11K. So we got, yeah, 5 days ago we did a 5 hours live stream, 4 hours for 45 minutes. All right, so all right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Be safe out there. If I recover myself, I'm pretty tired. We're gonna go for another live stream within the next few hours. Okay, maybe BSC gonna be dumping tonight, or even pumping. Who knows, right? All right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching.